Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, everybody. So, I hope I'm clearly visible and audible. Let me see that comment. Yes, yes, yes. So, hello, hello, hello. Let me refresh that comment screen so that we may start fresh. Yeah, perfect, perfect. So, hello, Amravati. Hello, I am Ike. Hello, Robin. Hello, Darshan. Hello, Aishwarya. Hello, Khushi. Hello, Vinayak. Now, what is our task today? Our task today is quite sudden. Now, why sudden I'm saying is because I wanted to do this tomorrow. So that's why you have not seen any previous notification. But yes, I'm here because the one shot that I have posted, the one shot that we have posted for organic chemistry, there were many students, and to me also personally, various students approached and they said, "Sir, organic chemistry we need." Because, from class 12th, what we usually do is we know the basics of NCRT of class 12th, but sir, class 11th I do not even remember at all. And plus, class 11th organic chemistry, all the GOC logic, they are not important, they are the foundation. Because the NTA, the paper, the manner they have assembled the paper or JEE mains examination, and we have recently seen the previous year NEET examination as well. So yes beta, it is going to be conceptually very sound, and therefore in order to be conceptually sound with your organic side of 12th organic chemistry, ultimately you have to be very clear with your 11th basics. So I'm here today, we will be covering every topic, every conceptual detail of class 11th. Even you know nothing, I will be discussing everything including questions. So take out your pen and copy, and what the only thing I need is like, share and subscribe. Now we do not say such things, but now I'm saying this because I will be, it will be taking around 3-4 hours, but no worries, because if at all few of you are getting help out of it, then I am very happy. So without further ado, let us start. But yes, before starting, you guys must be having those poll options in front of you. Now PW has super elevated the manner and way in which you use those polling options. So introducing PyLens. PyLens is an app which you can obviously install from Play Store or Google Store or Chrome Store. Now, once you install this app, whenever you go to a video, even of PW or otherwise, you will get this blue icon. Just click on this blue icon, and therefore with this icon you will be able to poll also. Sir, but I mean, polling we get anyway, so how is it more helpful? It will also give you resources, whatever video. For example, I am teaching organic chemistry, you want more concepts, more topic, more questions to practice from whatever I'm teaching over here, so it will be giving you resources relating to the topic that the video is going on. You can also have PYQs of the exact paper if you want more of them. You can obviously have that the theory that I'm teaching you, if you want to revise the theory with a quiz, so you can even opt for the quiz option. So this is all inbuilt, and obviously I hope whatever quizzes, notes, you can even have those memory maps, the short notes that are required in the last day of the examination. Those short notes, memory maps, everything can be made with the help of this PyLens app. So I hope, and if you start answering questions more and more, you will also be getting rewarded out of the PyLens app. So yes, that's a if you are learning for yourself, the best reward that you will be getting will be your dream medical college. So without wasting any of your time, let us start the process. We are going to completely finish class 11th organic chemistry, including the class 12th basics, which will be requiring all the general organic chemistry, and class 11. So we'll be covering hydrocarbons, everything, starting with the basic nomenclature. Nomenclature in your NEET examination, you may get one question or you may not get any, but practicing just the relevant PYQs. Now, the PYQs that I have brought are most relevant. They are JEE Mains PYQs also, because JEE Mains paper is also at par at PW, at par at as a NEET paper these days. So, without wasting much of your time, let us start the process. This is the first question, and with that question, let me give you 1 minute to attempt this. So quick, take out your rough copy, take out your pen, and start attempting and mastering the process of organic with me starts from this question right now. So quick guys, I want answer. Let me put some coffee for myself. By the time you guys must be solving this question. Chalo, good. Quick, 30 seconds gone. Quick, 30 seconds gone. Quick. Okay, perfect. We have answers flowing in. Perfect. So let us decode the question. The question says bond line formula of OH, that is alcohol, CH, and then CN. Obviously, carbon is tetrahedral. So carbon should make 4 bonds, 2 with CN as a nitrile and 1 with OH. So obviously option D will be your right answer. Let me see how many active students we have with us. Okay, not much, but still I'm happy because those students are working. So if we are able to help anybody, I am definitely happy. So this is the second question. Let me minimize the time for you. So 30 seconds and your time starts now. Quick, quick. You have to give the order of bond strength among sp3, sp2 and sp hybridized atom. Sir, obviously we know sp hybridized atom is a if you talk of a carbon, it's a alkyne. So if you have an alkyne, so the bond order is a triple bond. So obviously your answer will be sp will be most strong, will be an atom making a most stronger bond. So your definite answer will be option C. Okay, still I cannot give you less than 30 seconds. 100%. Now we are talking. Perfect. So we have some active participants over here. Let us attempt this one. This is an JEE advanced question. So let's try. Okay, I'll be removing this advanced thing afterwards, so that because whenever you see that a JEE advanced thing or JEE IIT thing, you feel that this is not our level. But beta, NTA is asking conceptual thing to everybody. So yes, it is definitely. Acha, I have not started the poll, so you can hit the comment section with the answer if you know that. If you know this one. Okay, I'm speeding. Okay, I'm speeding. You just want me to give you the answer and move forward or what? In allenes, which is C3H4, sir, 3 carbons as in 1, 2, 3. At least you have to assemble them together. Now, because I have only 4 hydrogens, so I include a double bond here, which will leave me to add only 2 hydrogens on the extreme sides, which will make this carbon as sp2 hybridized, this carbon as sp2 hybridized, and this carbon as sp hybridized, as it is forming only 2 sigma bonds. So your answer will be, it is only having sp2 and sp system. That means option B. No, there are people, yes, but there are people saying C as well. So my bad. Let me start the poll also for you. So this is the next question. I'm intentionally including 25 and 26 questions because these questions will be relatively new for you and will be relatively more prominent for NTA also, for your NEET examination. So 3, 2, 1, your time starts now. Start attempting, guys. Quick. I've given the poll beta. Start attempting. In the given structure, number of sp and sp2 hybridized carbon. So this is the structure and you have to give me the sp and sp2 hybridized carbon. B. Okay, let's see. B. People are saying B. Quick. Again, people are saying B. Just watch out what you are answering. Actually, the answer for the question is option C. Let's see how many. 50%. Okay, let us attempt this one. Answer is C. Yes. Why C? Sir, this carbon is sp2 hybridized, this carbon is sp2 hybridized, sp2 hybridized, sp2 hybridized, sp2 hybridized. So I have 5 carbons which are sp2 hybridized, and I have these 1, 2 and 3 carbons who are sp hybridized. So definitely your answer is option 3. Moving forward, next attempt this one, guys. Attempt this one, people. 3, 2, 1. Time starts now. In the given compound, the number of 2-degree carbon atom is R. You have to give me number of 2-degree carbons. So number of 2-degree carbons. This is just the questions which NTA is finding lot of interest in. These are PYQs from JE. B, C, B. Okay, let's try. This is 1 degree. This carbon, this methyl group will be there. So this will be 3, this will be 1, 2 and 3 degree. This will obviously 1 degree. This carbon is having 2 hydrogens. That means this is our 2-degree carbon. This is again 3 degree. This is 1 degree. This is 1 degree. So just 1 2-degree carbon we have. Let us see how many students have answered this correctly. 60%. Good. Fair enough. Moving to the next one. Try this one. Number of 2-degree carbon atoms in the following compound. 1, 2 and 3. In the 3 compounds, you have to give me number of 2-degree carbon atoms. Number of 2-degree carbon atoms. B. Okay. B. Let's see. Now, all the carbons over here are definitely 2-degree carbon. So first is definitely having 6. So 2 options got eliminated. Here, these 2 becomes 3 degrees. So we are left with 4. So I hope we have landed up to our answer. Yes. Bakir is right. Samrudh is right. Yeah, perfect. Moving to the next one. This is a NEET 2024 question. Let us try this one. NEET 2024 question. Let us try this one, and your time starts now. Quick. You have to give. Perfect. Gaurav is saying A. Okay. Robin is saying okay. C. Let's check. Now, ethane is actually 2 carbons. So what are you asked? You are asked the number and type of pi bonds between 2 carbons. So this is obviously 1 sigma bond. So that means A is 3. So this is gone. Option elimination is a huge thing that you should practice. Yes. So A and B, ethene is double bonded carbon. So 1 sigma and 1 pi. 1 sigma and 1 pi. 1 sigma and 1 pi, as in B is 4. Obviously, we should not have checked B because both options are having same. Now C will give us the answer. C2. Beta, for that you have to do the molecular orbital theory. Carbon is having how many electrons? 6. So 6 and 6 is 12. So sigma 1s, sigma vestic 1s, sigma 2s, sigma estic 2s, 8. Then pi 2px, 9, 10, pi 2py. pi, then again you have to fill again. So after that, let me draw it for you. So 8 gone. So 9, 10, 11, 12. So if you are filling these 12, but the 12th one is filled in what? Sir, it is filled in pi 2px and pi 2py. That means two electrons will form one bond and two electrons will also form one bond. So the outermost electrons, those are forming the bonds, are placed where? Sir, they are present in the pi molecular orbital. That means it is having two pi bonds. A very famous technique, a very famous conclusion of molecular orbital theory. So C is 2. That means your answer is option A. Let me see how many of you have cracked this one. So answer is A. Let me check. Yes, fair enough. 62%. Good, beta. Good. Moving to the next one. Again, a JEE mains question. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, yes, yes. Perfect. People are there from Karnataka. Okay. Okay. Chalo. I need answer for this one, which is a JEE mains question. The question says the molecular formula of the second homologue of monocarboxylic acid. What is the first monocarboxylic acid? Sir, HCOOH. So add one carbon. So the next homologue will be having a methyl branch. So this will be C2H4O2, which is nothing but oxalic acid. That means option B. Yeah, perfect, perfect, perfect. Moving to the next one. Yeah. So the decreasing order. Now this is also a JEE mains question, beta. So your time starts now. A very doable question. I hope you can crack it. I hope you can crack this one as well. Okay. Okay. Good. Chalo. So I hope few of you have attempted this. You have to give, sir. Already given the poll. Rushikesh. Rushikesh already given the poll. Asha is saying B. Let's see. Now, if you try to prioritize the functional groups, they are obviously categorized on the basis of their reactions, but IUPAC has given them a priority. And what does that priority tell you? That sulfonic acid for first is carboxylic acid, but when they are saying carboxylic acid, they are giving amide and then acid chloride. Actually, acid chloride is senior, therefore this is wrong. But yes, sulfonic acid, acid chloride, amide and nitrile being the correct priority priority order. So your answer will definitely be option B. Let us check. Okay, less than 50%, but still sound enough. I hope it is clear to everybody. Now, this is a JEE advanced question. Do not look at advanced question, beta. Just try and attempt it. You will be able to crack it because this is the NTA logic, which is definitely going to be asked. 30 seconds. Your time starts now. Which one of the following structures has IUPAC named this? Now find out the word root first. What is the word root? Hex. So search 6 carbon chain. Then functional group is oic acid. No number is given. That means it will be 1 oic acid. It will be 1 oic acid. So now obviously the branches 3 ethynyl. What is ethynyl? Eth as in 2 carbons. Ine as in triple bonded branch, and it has to be a branch, hence ethynyl. So I hope most of you have cracked the question. D, yes. Raj, Pradeep, Ramesh, perfect. So time over. Let's check how many have got the answer correct. It's option D. If you have okay, very less percentage. So let me explain you this one, guys. I have 6 carbon as my main chain. So 6 carbon as my main chain, 1 oic acid. That means functional group is carboxylic acid. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this one will be the terminal carbon 6. So fourth carbon is having a methyl branch, third carbon is having this ethynyl, and second carbon is having hydroxy. So I hope it is clear to everybody. Yeah, good, 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 good. Moving to the next one, attempt this one, guys. This is the structure. You have to give the name. I hope you have started making the structure in your copy, because yes, you have to draw these structures. For a mains or an advanced student with CBT test, it is rather difficult, but you need people, all the NEET warriors, you will be having your hard copy paper with you, so directly attempt obviously will be quite easy for you. Chalo, quick, you have to give the name of this compound. Sir, I have done everything organic except amine, but I don't have that much confidence to solve a single question. I just want to score decent in this one. Beta, then start attempting, no? Time is over, I guess. So let me share the answer with you. It's A. 60% have got the answer. So let me just make you revise this. Now this is an ester. Sir, what's an ester? Beta, ester is RC double bond O and a R dash. First you name this branch without any sequence rule, without any alphabetization. So in this ester, what is that branch? So that branch is a 3 carbon propyl. So it's a normal propyl group. So it's a normal propyl group. Now what is the main chain? Main chain is hept and it is saturated with suffix O8. That means it's an ester. So let us count the carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This fifth carbon is having a methyl branch and this second carbon is having a bromine branch. So 2 bromo and 5 methyl. I hope it is clear to everybody. Yeah, perfect. Good. You guys are supercharged and you are making me happy and supercharged too. Attempt this one. This is also a JEE mains question. We are just trying to attempt those questions by NTA which are most probable, beta. So the logic will definitely be repeated. Do not worry about it. Start practicing right now with me. So if any and everybody is watching this, please take out your pen and copy and start the attempt part with me right now. So I hope it is quite easy again, because this is hept as in sir, carbon chain is definitely 7. So this is my functional group, so it should be, this carbon will be in my main chain, so this shall be my main chain. 1 2 3 4 from this side also, 1 2 3 4 from this side also, because alkene starts with an E, so I will name number 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, this will be 4th, then 5, then 6 and 7. So this is hept, 1 in, 6 ein, 4 all. That means your answer is option D. Option D. Now, very less percentage. I hope you have got the answer now, beta. Guys, Asha is saying D. Okay. I hope everybody is clear with this. Moving to the next one. Attempt this one. A JEE mains 2025 question. Attempt this one. Perfect. Attempt this one, guys. I hope you read the question. The time starts now. Quick, but be vigilant of not marking the incorrect question. You know what? Marking your bubble incorrectly or inappropriately also makes you lose marks. So keep your head cool and start attempting, start learning. These are all the questions which will give you super confidence for your basic organic chemistry of class 11th. Chalo. So I hope few of you have got the answer. You can also eliminate the option. A is either 3 or 2. So this is A, it is either 3 or 2. So this is hept. Obviously we can see this is hept. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So both are tied, but ethyl branch starts with an E. So 1 2 3 4, 5, then 6 and 7 because this is an ethyl group. 3 is having ethyl, 5 is having methyl. So 3 ethyl, 5 methyl. That means A is definitely 2. So option A and option B are eliminated. B is 3, B is 3. So do not have to check. Check for C. C is either 4 or C is either 1. This is C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 is having a methyl branch. So 2 is having a methyl branch and pent diene. So this is diene. That means C is obviously 4. So C is obviously 4. That means option C is your right answer. Let me check how many of you have attempted it as C. Show results. Aryan, Bhanu Boy, and Daban. Okay, fair enough. Attempt this one, guys. IUPAC name of the compound. Yeah, perfect, perfect. Most of the people are answering C. Perfect. Ames. Okay, somebody is targeting Ames. Time starts now. Correct IUPAC name of this compound. Sir, this is my functional group. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope now it will be easy for everybody. Feeling good solving with you. Good. Sanket. Perfect, Sanket. C, B. Okay. Let's see. Now 4 is 1, 2, 3. I'm sorry, 4 and 5. Fourth is having double bonded O. Ketone in presence of functional group will act as a branch. So 4 is oxo or keto. Only one option is showing you 4 oxo or keto. So rather a very easy question to solve. But yes, for those whose concepts are clear, yeah, percentage is also sound. Good one, guys. Moving to the next one. Try and answer this one. The IUPAC name of this compound, a JEE mains question. Attempt and tell me the answer. Now this is again what will be the functional group? Sir, nitrile or amine. Nitrile is a senior functional group with carbon. So this carbon will be your first carbon because nitrile is a prefix for triple bonded N. So this will be 2, this will be 3 and this will be 4. So third carbon is having an amino branch and I have 4 carbon. So third carbon is having a amino branch, then butane, 1 nitriles. Option okay, I have not given you poll for this one, don't worry. Option 3, option C. I hope everybody got it. Just a second, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 3 amino, butane, 1 nitrile. Yeah, perfect, perfect. Attempt this one. Correct IUPAC name for the structure that is given over here. I hope you can crack this one. Yeah. Yeah, perfect, perfect. People are solving and they are solving right. Good, good, good. Attempt the next one, guys. This one, you have to give the correct IUPAC name. It is a JEE 2025 question. Try this one. Obviously, this is my functional group. So this will be carbon number 1. What shall be carbon number 2? This will be 2 because double bond is then the priority. So this is 3, this is 4 and this is 5. I have a ethyl branch at the 4th carbon. So 4 ethyl, but it's a cyclic chain. So cyclopent. Then 2, 3 has double bond. So 2 ene and 1 all, which makes option D as a right answer. Option D as a right answer. Okay, half of the students. Perfect. Try and attempt this one. Again, a JEE mains question. Again, a JEE mains question. Chalo, people are working. I'm very happy for this. So that if I have tried to spend this night with you, that means this was a correct decision because I'm not here to help a few. A lot of students are getting help from this. So good. I'm happy. I'm happy to put this labor. Now, okay, I have not started the poll, so I'll not do it. Let us attempt this. The IUPAC name of this compound, obviously I can see this is my functional group. connected to this carbon, so this will be 1. Obviously 2 do not have any branch, so this will become 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this shall become 5. So 2 is having a methyl branch, 4 is having bromo because bromo starts with a B, so it should be 4 bromo, then 2 methyl, then cyclopent, 1 carboxylic acid. That means option B is your right answer. I hope everybody got it. Try and attempt this one. Your time starts now. Try and attempt this one. Your time starts now. Perfect. Nidhi Anand. Perfect. Rushikesh. Naira. Asha. Asha has been working since the beginning of the class. Nidhi. Perfect. I want answer for this one. Correct IUPAC name of this. Now again, this is my functional group. So this is phenol. Okay, not functional because sir, alcohol is seen a functional group or nitrile. Sir, nitrile. So this will be my functional group rather, and hence this will be 2 because branch has to be next. So alcohol will be acting as a branch and getting number 5. So your answer will be at second carbon I have bromo, at fifth I have hydroxo, and then benzonitrile benzene. The carbon next to benzene is called a benzylic carbon, and hence that benzylic carbon getting the nitrile is called benzonitrile. So your answer will be option B. I hope most of you would have got the correct answer. Yes, yes. Moving to the next one. Try and attempt this one, and your time starts now. Quick. Quick. Sir, please help us from 0 to 100 marks, please. Beta, try and attempt these questions with me whenever you are feeling doubt in any question. Then you can obviously stop me right there and I will be discussing that question in depth. Not to worry. But yes, you have to be vigilant enough that you have to ask. I'm answering this for Nanda Kumar. Okay. Perfect. So people are answering too. Okay, so this is a JEE advanced question, so it might be multiple correct. So the poll will not be giving us the exact picture because this is a multiple correct question where answer is B also and C also. But let us see. B and C people have marked B and C, but A also people have marked. So let us attempt this one. The name of this compound again, sir, benzene with a CH3 is called toluene, and even you can take benzene as your main chain. So if you take benzene as your main chain, these will be branches because chlorine starts with a C. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So one name will be, if you take benzene as your main chain, it will be 1-chloro-4-methyl-benzene. But even for aromatic compounds, their general name is considered as IUPAC names. So benzene with a CH3 is known as toluene collectively. So if you take toluene as your foundational organic compound, so this toluene is having chlorine at the 4th position, at the para position. So para is actually general name, but 4 saying 4-chlorotoluene is also correct. So B is also right and C is also right. This is a JEE advanced question, beta, because for organic compounds, even their general names are considered as their IUPAC name. I hope you remember this line from your NCERT. Every line of NCERT is important. Moving to the next one. Attempt this one. Your time starts now. Poll can't take proper name. I think so. Beta. Even I feel so because people in the comment section are answering at a greater number, but the poll is not showing those many number of students attempting. So yes, there may be some glitch, but there is no glitch in one thing. There is no glitch. Beta, I know poll is not working. Don't worry, but download pylons. It will be working fine. You will be getting rewarded also if for example, if you are continuously lying on the leaderboard, so you will be rewarded also by PW, by the back end team. So double benefit. Chalo, moving to the next one. The question is, again, you have to give IUPAC name. The best way to learn IUPAC is by attempting the real type questions, the exact PYQs of mains also, advanced also. So again, now the I have no functional groups, so all are branches. So sir, if I take chlorine or methyl, sir, chlorine starts with a C. Therefore, I'll take this as carbon number 1. Why not NO2, sir? Because there is no branch next to NO2. So after 1, I cannot have 2. So I'll be giving 1 here only, because chlorine is starting with a C. So that becomes 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. And this is obviously 5. So I have 1 chloro. I have chlorine at the first position and methyl in the second one. Chlorine in the first position. Which option is giving me chlorine in the first option? No option. It is giving benzene 5-chloro 2-methyl. C should come first. 5-chloro 1-methyl. Okay. I'm sorry. Why that numbering was wrong? Sir, because in that ways 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is getting 5. So what is locations are 1, 2, 5. If I do not do this, or rather if I simply name this as 1, this as 2, this as 3 and this as 4, then my locant is 1, 3, 4. But beta, this should be, actually the options are not correct in that ways. Because yes, because they are not giving us the option of 1 chloro. At least if you talk conceptually, this should be the, logically this should be the correct option, because none of the option is giving me chlorine in the first position. So that's why I am not going for this one. That's why I am not going for this one, because no option is showing me that location. If any of the option would have been showing me that location, I would be preferring that option. But yes, because none of the option is preferring that position, so rather I'll be going with this. So this will be okay. Then in that case, you should go like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. In this way, I'll be getting 1, 2 and 4. Nahi beta. Nahi. This is correct. So this is 1 methyl, 2 chloro and 4 nitro. Perfect. But obviously chlorine starting with a C. So 2 chloro, 1 methyl and 4 nitrobenzene. Good question. D is our right answer. So let us check how many of the students have got this one, because this was a good one. See? 0. This was rather a tricky one. Yes, but the options were helping us. So if at all the options were framed inaccurately, so we could have landed into a -1. So yes, you have to practice hard in order to be good with your answer selection. Moving to the next one. Now this is an AIMS question. Let us try and attempt this one. Quick. B is showing. Okay. B is not correct. B, sir. Sir, B is showing. Okay. Perfect. Ha, beta. In that one, we have gone wrong. But yes, the answer was definitely, after that we have corrected it. Now, I have not given a poll for this one, so hit the comment section for the answer. Now, again, for I guess this is the same question, na? Nahi. Here methyl and chlorine are interchanged. See, here methyl, in the previous question, methyl and chlorine were at different position. Here the methyl and chlorine are interchanged, so this becomes rather easy. I mean, you will not land, because after seeing chlorine, you had a habit of giving 1 to it because 2 is standing right next to it. But yes, this will not trick you in that sense. So this will rather be an easy one. So see, J mains was difficult and AIMS question is rather easy to attempt. So this is 1 chloro, 2 methyl, 4 nitrobenzene, an easy one. Moving to the last question from IUPAC. Then we'll be moving to general organic chemistry. Moving to the last question from IUPAC. सर क्लास कितने बजे लगती है बेटा? दिस इज special class today. It was not planned for today, for tonight, but yes, because of the demand of the students, I'm here. Because yes, Sunday is very near, so organic, mostly the 11th conceptual part of organic should be done, because 12th everybody gives their board examination, so most of them are comfortable with those naming reactions. But yes, 11th is a piece of pain for them. So here my job is to lessen that pain. Chalo. Moving to GOC after answering this one. I hope you have got your answer. Show us the result. 100% students are right. Yes, answer is definitely option A with 3 bromo, because this will be functional group. So 3 bromo, 2 hydroxy, 5 nitro, and benzene with COOH is nothing but benzoic acid. Moving to isomerism. The concept of isomerism is definitely used a lot, where it is always mixed with your class 12th organic question. So isomerism also you should have a hands-on practice. Let us attempt isomerism, the first part of general organic chemistry, with this. This is a J mains question. Your time starts now. Attempt this question, people. Attempt. Sir, we want class 12th organic also. Sir, please. Beta, first you have completed your 11th class or 12th? 11th, na? So first complete 11th. I will definitely be doing something for 12th as well. But yes, beta, tomorrow also I'll be live with replica questions. In that I'll be taking 12th organic more. So don't worry. We are worried more than you are, because we want your result. Huh. Out of that, I just want one thing. I just want one thing. I do not see the like button being pressed a lot. I do not see the share button pressed a lot. I do not see, sir, GSA, that's my name, Gaurav Singh Arora, a lot. So you can do that. If everything is getting on your head directly, comment GSA. That will also give me motivation, and I will be paid by you then. Chalo. So I hope everybody has got the answer. Let us check who has given the right answers. Aha, more than 100%. Yeah, chalo. So obviously the question says which are positional isomers. So position of functional group, branches should change. So this is aldehyde, this is ketone. So functional isomer, functional group are changing. Aldehyde ketone, functional isomer. Aldehyde ketone, functional isomer. Ketone at second carbon, ketone at third carbon. So definitely a example of positional isomer. Moving to next question. Time starts now. Which of the following are metamers? Which of the following are metamers? Hi, very good. I love that. I love my name. I love GSA. Chalo. Good. Good. Moving to the... Acha, we still have time. Chalo, metamers. Sir, what are metamers? If you have a bivalent or a polyvalent functional group, the nature of alkyl group should change, but functional group should remain the same, because then it will become a functional isomer. So time is up. I hope you have got the answer. Answer is option D. Yeah, more than 75% of the students are right. So let us check. Sir, this is a amide. So alkyl group should change. So this is also an amide, but no, the molecular formula is also not same. One is benzene, another is not. Sir, here functional group has changed. Functional group is same. Nitrogen was aromatic, now nitrogen is having. So obviously, acha. D will be definitely your right answer, because here molecular mass is also not the same. I hope everybody got it now. Moving to the next question. Okay, time starts now. Try and attempt this one, guys. Try and attempt this one, guys. Harshit Prajapati, I love you too, beta. But you should love your rank. And obviously, loving a teacher is always good. But when you can actually reciprocate that love by getting the maximum marks, by getting the right profession, by giving everything that you have achieved to your parents, those are the rewards for a teacher. Perfect. So I hope the time is over. Poll has stopped. So let me help you with the answer, which is C in this case. 62% of the people are right. Let us check. Identify the correct statement. Sir, this is also a ketone. This is also a ketone. Molecular mass, I mean, this is also 4 carbon ketone. This is also a 4 carbon. No. 3. Okay, this is 5 carbon. Sir, molecular mass is not same. So they can't be any isomer. Acha, this is also 5 carbon or what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, beta, I'm sorry. The nature of alkyl group is changing. So yes, they are metamers. So this is A is correct. What about them? Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4. No, sir. Molecular mass is also not same. Molecular formula is also not same, so they can't be isomers. This is 1 degree amine and this is a 2 degree amine. 1 degree, 2 degree amines have different reactivity, so they are functional isomers. So they are not homologues also. Even if you increase carbon, the functional group has to remain the same, so they are not homologues also. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. This is also 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. Molecular formula is same. This is nitrile cyanide and this is isocyanide, though they are also functional isomers. So A and B are correct. A and B as an option C is your right answer. Chalo. So moving to the next one. Attempt this one, guys. Attempt this one. Beta, homologue means Sugumaran. Sugumaran homologue means when you have like you have carboxylic acid, so it's COOH with hydrogen. Add CH2, so it will become the next member of the same family. That is a homologous series. Keep on adding CH2, so it will just create a physical property change, not a chemical property change. And when you keep on adding CH2 group, that makes the homologous series of that particular family, of that particular functional group. Sir, if there is a question on tautomerism, please revise the concept. Yes, beta, there are questions. If, why, what if there is a question? Tautomerism is a part of our organic. So obviously there is a question. Now, I have not given poll for this one. Okay, no worries. Let us attempt this one quickly. Statement 1 says this and this are isomeric compounds. We just have to check carbon. So this is having 6 carbon and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is also having 6 carbon. So this is obviously true. Then statement 2 says this and this are functional isomer. Yes, sir, this is 1 degree and yes, sir, this is 2 degree. I've already told you they are functional isomers. So both are correct. So statement 1 and 2 both are correct, which brings us to the next question. Attempt this one. Yes, let me give you poll for this one. Your time starts now. Both statements are wrong. No, beta, both statements were correct. Okay. Answer for this one, guys. Answer this one, guys. Perfect. Chalo. So I guess no, poll has not ended. Now the question says N-propanol and N-propanol and isopropanol are what isomer? What is N? N is normal. So normal is 3 carbon with an OH. Iso as in first carbon, second carbon, a methyl branch and a free valency. And to that free valency, if you add OH, this is isopropanol. So what are they? So they are positional isomers. So that means A is 3. So gone, gone. These two may be your answer. Now, methoxypropane and methoxypropane. Propane as in 3 carbon, methoxy as in OCH3. Ethoxyethane, ethoxy as in O and then ethoxy. Obviously, sir, this and that one, they are also isomers. But what isomers? Again, sir, a bivalent functional group having change of alkyl group. So this is also meta. This is also a famous example of metamers. So B in that case is 1, although you could not have checked B. Now let us do C, sir. Ketone and aldehyde, they are functional isomer. That means this is definitely 4. So D is your right answer. Perfect. No, not B, beta, D. Yeah, perfect. So let me see what is the percentage of students who has given 50%. Next one, mind you, this is multiple correct. So not giving you poll. This is multiple correct. Okay, I have multiple correct poll also, no? Multiple correct. Yes, I have multiple. We are a highly technological company. We are a highly technological company. So we have multiple correct also. So this is multiple correct. This is a JEE advanced question. Although nothing is advanced in this. Nothing is advanced in this. Be very serious for this question, beta. Don't attempt the question is very easy, but don't attempt the wrong one. Don't tick the wrong one. A student was asking, sir, Tautomerism, if it comes, then please explain it. So what is Tautomerism, sir? Tautomerism is the most famous type of isomerism, obviously most famous for NT as well. So answer for this question I'll be definitely telling you, but let us again revise Tautomerism before that. The most famous, although there are many types of examples of Tautomerism, but for your NEET examination, you should just know ketoenol isomerism. So let's say if I have a ketonic group, that ketonic group should definitely contain 1 alpha carbon. It should definitely contain 1 hydrogen. If it is having that 1 hydrogen, then that 1 hydrogen undergoes transition. How it undergoes transition? Oxygen being electronegative will snatch away the electron. The electron pair, the sigma electron pair of this hydrogen is transferred to this carbon, because that sp2 hybridized carbon has been snatched away of its electron pair. Thereby, this keto form exist in a dynamic equilibrium with a enolic form. Why enolic form? Because this carbon becomes a single bonded O minus. That O minus give electron to this hydrogen and that forms an alcohol, while this carbon creates a double bond with this carbon and attains an sp2 hybridized trigonal planar arrangement, and this form is actually now termed as an enol form, which is definitely less stable in general. But yes, you can have stabilized enol forms as well. The two basic examples are, if you have a active methylene group, not famous for NEET examination, but yes, one thing is famous, the aromatization. If you have okay, so if you have aromatic as in the phenolic form of alcohol is an actual form of enol isomer, but that enol form is stable than its keto form because of resonance or aromatic stabilization of benzene ring. So in some cases, yes, enol form can be stable than an keto form, but those are very specific cases, and generally keto form is more stable. So ultimately what we need, sir, this is definitely an enol form, and this is also stabilized enol form because of the same reason, because of the aromatic stabilization of this ring. But yes, if you can just remove this hydrogen, bring it over here, bring the double bond over here, you will get the keto form, but that keto form will be less stable. But yes, it can undergo keto-enol isomerism. So this can show tautomerism. Sir, this is having a ketonic group, but the alpha carbon is not sp3 hybridized. It has to be sp3 hybridized because sp3 hybridized carbon is electropositive relatively, and hence it can give away the electron. Sir, electronegative will not give, therefore it can't show keto-enol isomerism. What about this one? Sir, here this carbon is sp3 and it can give keto-enol isomerism here also and here also. So this can show keto-enol isomerism. This one also, sir, this carbon can also allow, this carbon can also allow, this carbon can also allow. So this can also show keto-enol isomerism. I hope everybody is with me on this. Duration. Beta, duration of the class would be 3 hours, 3 to 3.5 hours, 3 hours minimum, है ना? We'll try to finish off, wrap it up within 3 hours maybe, but yes, it will definitely take that much of time. Moving to the next question. Acha, I've given you, so answer will be, okay, let me just check how many of you have answered this. So answer is A, C, D. Answer is A, C and D. Let us check. Okay, okay, not bad. Chalo, moving to the next one. Attempt this one. This is a NEET question and your time starts now. Perfect. Crystal clear, sir. Very nice. Clear, sir. Duration. Duration, I've already said, beta 3 hours, maybe 4. I'll try to wrap it up in 3. Aha, GSA. Yes. Clear, sir, is GSA. Clear, writing clear requires 5 alphabets. GSA requires 3 alphabets. So if you are clear, type GSA. That means everything is clear. Grasp of all subtopics accurately, GSA. Chalo, moving to this question. I hope time is over for you. Answer for this is A, 40%. Okay, let us try and attempt this one. Less students have got the answer. Now, the question says, among the given molecule which exhibit tautomerism. So, sir, you have already told us, sir, this is ketonic group. Sir, this is carbon with an hydrogen. This is carbon with an hydrogen. This is sp3 hybridized carbon. So we'll move no. Why? Because if you have a bridged carbon, it can have a sp3 hybridized tetrahedral arrangement, but it can't become planar. That is Brett's rule, that you cannot make a bridged carbon a trigonal planar species. So it never undergo any reaction which tries to make that intermediate trigonal planar. So bridged carbon will not undergo, and then I have no alpha carbon present. Similarly here, this is a ketonic group. This is my bridged carbon. So I can't do tautomerism, but yes, sir, I have this sp3 hybridized carbon, but it do not have any hydrogen. Therefore, this is also cancelled. Yes, sir, I have this ketonic group, although this can't be associated, but this CH2 hydrogen can be involved in keto-enol isomerism. So yes, 3 can show tautomerism. Therefore, your answer will be option A, because it is 3. Perfect. Moving to, again, this is an advanced question. So this is also multiple correct. Brett's rule. Yes, Rishikesh. Brett's rule. Bridged head rule. Perfect. So no substitution in the bridged carbon. Harshit Prajapati, sir, speed up. Beta, if students are asking questions, don't you have that compassion that I should answer them? Sir, but my 1 minute will be wasted. Beta, invest that 1 minute in listening to that again. Maybe it will speed up your preparation. It will speed up when the moment you are sitting in your NEET examination. Few of the students attempt some questions even in 20, 35, 30 seconds. Why do they do so? Because they must have revised that particular thing so many times. So maybe that thing will help you to answer also faster, also save time also, है ना? So compassion will always bring gratitude to everything, because whatever you give to the universe, it always comes back, है ना? चलो, because I have not given poll, because this is multiple correct as I have told you. Okay. The correct combination of names of isomeric alcohols with molecular formula C4H10O. So 4 carbon having 4 2 ja 8, 9, 10. That means degree of unsaturation is 0. This is a saturated compound having oxygen. And the question is only telling you the oxygen is nothing but a functional group alcohol. So what can be the correct isomeric pairs? So tertiary butanol, that means I have 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon in such a way. This is tertiary butyl alcohol or tertiary butanol. Now propane 2-ol. So prop as in 3 carbon, 2-ol as in second carbon should have OH, and second carbon should also have this methyl branch. Sir, both are same. Yes, both are isomers. So this is correct. Tertiary butanol as in this one. Then 1,1 dimethyl ethane 1-ol. Ethane as in 2 carbon, 1-ol as in 1 OH, and 1,1 di. 1,1 di. No sir, IUPAC is wrong, because it will be 2-methyl. So because IUPAC name written is wrong, therefore it is incorrect. Normal butanol as in 4 carbon with an OH. Butane 1-ol is its IUPAC name. So yes, general name IUPAC name. Isobutyl alcohol, what is iso? First carbon, second carbon, and a methyl branch and a free valency. This is iso group, but I need 4 carbon, so add 1 more carbon and then add OH. What is its IUPAC name? Sir, 1, 2, 3. So this is 2-methyl propanol. So that means option is A, C, D. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Perfect. Perfecto. Are you discussing all organic questions here? Yes, beta. I am discussing all organic questions here. All organic as in all relevant organic of class 11th first. Then obviously we'll move to class 12th. Basir, all class 11th organic first. Sir, what do you tell about NEET 2026 question paper? Beta, it will be on 3rd of May. Yes, one more thing. It will be highly conceptual. So it will be helping you. Chalo. Next question, again a JEE mains question, an integer type question. So not giving you poll for this, but yes, please take out your pen and copy and start attempting. The question says the total number of structural isomers possible for the substituted benzene derivative with molecular formula C9H11. So C9, what shall be hydrogen? 9 2 ja 18 plus 2. That means it should have 20 hydrogen. 9 2 ja 18 plus 2. So for saturated, it should have 20. It is having how much less? 8. 8 by 2 is 4. So degree of unsaturation is 4. So if I have a benzene, then 3 pi bond and 1 cyclization will satisfy the degree of unsaturation. So that means it is definitely having a benzene as its word root, as its component. If 6 carbon are used, how many carbons are left? Sir, 3 carbons. So what is the possibility? Sir, if 3 carbons are together, then it can be a normal propyl group, but you have to think of all the possibilities. Sir, if 3 carbons are there, then it can become cumene also, which is isopropyl. So benzene at first carbon, at second carbon, third I'll not put because it will be same. So these are my 2 possibilities. What else? Break the 3 carbons that are included as a branch. So benzene, let us fix 2 carbons as an ethyl group over here. Then I have methyl group. So methyl will be ortho, it can be meta, it can be para. So this is 3, 4 and 5 possibility. What else, sir? Beta, you can also have this 3 carbon differently, as in if I have this benzene, then I can have 1 methyl, 2 methyl and 3 methyl. Why you are drawing it like this, sir? Because I can do drawing with mathematics. So it can attain a position 1, 2, 3. So this will be my structure number 6. It can attain 1, 2, 4. This will be my structure number 7. It can attain 1, 3, 5. It will be mesitylene, that is structure number 8. So how many possibilities, structural possibilities I have? Very good. Adarsh, try to answer the question. So answer is definitely 8. Adarsh is right. Blaze Gaming is right. Perfect, beta. Perfect, beta. Perfect. Many students are answering. Good. I am super happy. Moving to the next question. Molecular formula of diphenyl methane is this. And for structure and formula both are given. How many structural isomers are possible? So, okay, I can give poll for this one. Attempt. Attempt this one, people. Attempt this one, people. Attempt this one, people. Okay. So I hope few of you have got the answer. The molecular formula this, how many structural isomer are possible when you substitute one chlorine? Answer is 4. Half of the people are correct. Sir, how it is possible? Let us try and explore that. Now, chlorine can be substituted here. Chlorine can be substituted at, again, ortho, meta, para. But sir, here also, so beta IUPAC will be same, no? So how many possibilities I have? Just 4. So that means my answer will be obviously option A. I hope everybody is clear. Moving to the next question. Try and attempt this one. Your time starts now. 30 seconds I'm giving, not more. Pi lens आहे का? Pi lens आहे? Pi lens should be आहे. It is definitely a beta, a very nice tool. You will be getting lot of things to summarize beta. Whenever you are answering the polls now, whatever type of video you are watching, you can summarize that video as well. You can ask that PyLens app to make questions around it also. You can also have more number of PYQs also. We are flooding with answer. So let us check, because people are saying B, so answer will be B only. How can you guys be wrong? How much questions are expected for all name reactions? Beta, organic is generally 16, 17 questions out of 45. Out of those 17 questions, I feel 7, 8 questions, around 8, 9 questions will be having some flavors of naming reactions only. So if B is, people are saying, 100%, yes, beta. So your answer is definitely Bombay, which will exhibit cis trans. So geometrical isomer is shown by butene. It should have double bond also, and both the groups should be different also. So a easy one. If that was easy, then attempt this one. Your time starts now. A does not contain double bond. Haan beta. So for geometrical isomer, there are many geometrical stereocenters, but in general, the most famous geometrical stereocenter for a NEET level of examination is a double bond and a cyclic ring. Both have planar geometry. So if groups around them are different, they can show geometrical isomerism. I learned so much from this. Thank you. Good. I'm happy. Those words are motivation. Good, beta. Then beta, why you are writing I love so much from this? Write GSA. It is easy. How many are from Karnataka? D. Perfect. Perfecto. D. Chalo. Let us check what is the result for our poll. Very less. Chalo. Chaitanya is only correct. Chalo. Choose the correct name for the compound. Obviously, you could have named it easily because this is first carbon, second carbon, because this is also first carbon, second carbon. So that is having branch also, that is having alkene. So alphabetization also is E. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Second carbon is having bromine as a branch, so 2 bromo, hex, but it is 2-ene, and 4-ine. So I guess option D is your right answer. But what is this, sir? 2e. Actually, this second carbon geometrical isomers are also named as EZ. Although you have got the answer without knowing EZ nomenclature, but let me tell you that EZ nomenclature. If I have a geometrical isomer like I have over here, look at the sp2 hybridized carbon. This is having a branch of carbon, this is having a branch of bromine. Out of them, which is having some more heavy nucleus? So bromine. So this becomes your senior group of that sp2 hybridized alkene. This sp2 hybridized carbon of alkene. So this sp2 hybridized carbon, sir, what are its group? One is hydrogen and one is this carbon. Obviously this carbon is having further group, but we just first look at the exact atom to which it is connected. If it is same, then you should go to the next atom attached. But here point of difference is here only. So this becomes senior. So you tell me senior group upside, senior group downside. So senior group on opposite side. So when senior groups are on opposite side, the nomenclature uses E. How to remember it? Opposite. So eat, and if it was on same side, it is a Z form. So this is what sequence rule or CIP rule, or according to some references, it is sequence rule to name a geometrical isomer. So 2,3 as in alkene is at second carbon. So what configuration it is having? 2e. I hope everybody is clear with this also. Moving to the next one, and your time starts now. Attempt beta. Chalo. The question says, which one of the following compound can exist? Again, a question from geometrical isomerism. So yes, answer is obviously, sir, 1-ene, that means the terminal carbon will have, both the carbon should have differently so the terminal position can never be geometrically active. So obviously answer is option Delhi. Let us see. Most of the students have got this, so I hope it is clear to everybody. Yeah, perfect. So no need to solve this one. I guess everybody is through this. Attempt this one. Time starts now. Attempt this one. Time starts now. That was easy one. Okay, Prithviraj sir is here. Thank you, sir. Prithviraj sir, showing great effort, sir. Sir, it is all a teamwork. In fact, I would rather thank you. You also have been helping students a lot, but yes, getting your message at this point of time is actually very inspiring. Thank you. Chalo. So I hope the poll has ended. And we have got, no, it has not. So by the time, let us attempt the question. Which one of the following will show geometrical isomerism? This can, no sir, this carbon is sp double bonded also, it is having differently substituted group also, but this carbon is having same groups, so no. Sir, again this carbon is having the same group, so no. Sir, this is CHBr, so both groups are different, and if you just check this carbons, then this carbon is a tie, but this carbon creates the difference because it is having bromine and this is CH2. So this carbon is also having differently substituted groups. So yes, this will give you your geometrical isomer. So I hope few of the students have, yeah, more than few, super happy, super happy, super happy, super happy. Moving to the next one. Attempt this one, guys. You have to give the number of geometrical isomers possible for the given structure. Number of, are you getting sleep? No, I am not. Chalo, this one beta. Number of geometrical isomers. Number of geometrical isomers. Acha, I have not given you a poll, so let us attempt it. So number of geometrical isomers. Now, beta, all of you who are listening to me, put down your pen. It is conceptually a very sound question. Put down your pen, and listen to me very carefully. Now, the question says that you have to select geometrical isomer. Now, first of all, just view the question properly. Sir, carbon number 1, carbon number 1, carbon number 2 with a methyl branch, carbon number 2 with a methyl branch. Sir, carbon number 3, CH2, carbon number 3, CH2. Array sir, both are same. Yes. What about this thing? I'll show you this thing. What is this? Sir, this is C double bonded C with a methyl group and a hydrogen. And this carbon, my dear students, this carbon, my dear students, this carbon, my dear students, are having two groups. And both the groups are conceptually, structurally same. Both the groups are structurally same. The only point of difference is this double bond over there. So both the groups are same, 1 carbon, 2 carbons and 3 carbons, where this carbon is having a methyl branch. That means 1, 2, 3 carbon. There is a double bond over here, but this is also having 1, 2, 3 carbon and there is a double bond over here. Now you just see that if this geometrical isomer is cis and this geometrical isomer is cis, I'm not saying you can do cis trans or not. If it is also cis, then this particular geometrical isomer is not a geometrical isomer. Why? Sir, because now this group is having both the branches same. So it can't show geometrical isomer, but it will be one of the form, na? This can't show geometrical isomerism because this has got same branches, but this can be cis. So this will become one of the form. Similarly, when this is trans, Similarly, when this is trans and this is trans, also trans, so this again, this will not be geometrically active because its group will be same, but that form will be the second form. And now, if this alkene, as in this alkene having CH3 and H, having two branches, if now I'm saying that this branch is cis and this branch is trans, anybody can be cis trans because you can't number them. So if one is cis and one is trans, sir, who is cis and who is trans? You cannot define that. Why? Because somebody can say I'm numbering from here, somebody can say I'm numbering from here. So you can number from both sides. So cis trans will be the only case fixed now at this point of time. But now this double bond will become geometrically active because this carbon is now having different branches. So this will show this cis is opposite to trans. So you can have geometrical isomers for this form. How many geometrical isomers? 2 geometrical isomers for this case. So 1, 2 and 3, 4. How many geometrical isomers you have got for this particular case? 4. A very beautiful question of conceptual understanding. Of geometry. Yes, a very good question, I would rather say. But again, a JEE Mains question, you can expect such common sense in your NEET examination as well. Hello? 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 If few of you have got my point, then at least write yes or GSA so that I may know that through the comment section. Because yes, this was a good question. I thought to remove it at the end, but then I thought, okay, I'll take it. Perfect. One has written yes. Okay, one has written okay, sir. Yes, yes, clear. Perfect, perfect. Thank you, thank you. GSA. Oh, GSA. Perfect, perfect. I'm happy. Now, try and attempt this one, guys. Time starts now. Try and attempt this one. Perfect. Perfecto. 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 Aha, very good. Thank you. Now you people are actually being active. Perfect, guys. Perfect. Keep learning. Keep learning. Keep learning. Chalo. The question says number of, you have to give me number of isomers for the compound with molecular formula. I have 2 carbons and bromine. Okay. The 2 carbons should not be written like this because I want, but if I'm having 2 carbons, how can I satisfy their valency? It need to have a double bond. It needs to have a double bond. Now, sir, what the 4 branches that we are having is iodine, chlorine, bromine and fluorine. Again, put down your pens. Again, put down your pen and listen to me carefully, because yes, common sense is required. So listen to me carefully. I'll be repeating it once. Now, sir, why complicate things? Because you have to count na. So take the help of what? Numbers are always correct. Let's say I fix one, any one. Let's say I'm numbering these branches as 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm fixing 1 over here. So I can have 2 over here. I mean, you can have any, but I'm seeing world with respect to 1. So I'm seeing world with respect to 1. So 1 having 2 with itself. So it can have 3 cis or 3 trans. So it will give you how many geometrical isomers? 2. Done. So sir, if 1 and 3 are fixed, then how many geometrical isomers? Again, beta cis trans or maybe EZ. So again 2 isomers. If I'm fixing 1 and 4, so this I have fixed, this I have fixed, this I have fixed. With this also, how many geometrical isomers you get? Sir, you have any other option? No, sir. 1, 4, 1, 5 we do not have. We have only 4 options. So how many geometrical isomers in total? 6 beta. How many geometrical isomers? 6 beta. So your answer will be Delhi. A very beautiful question. Now this is also an AIPMT question, although older one, but yes, a good one. So these all are the common senses. Okay, still 40. Adarsh, Shravani. Let me check the leaderboard. Okay. The first is Daban is first. Then we have Shivani. Then we have Rushikesh and then Shravani. Okay. So moving forward. Attempt this one. Your time starts now. Your time starts now. When will the live class start every day? Beta, I mean, these days we are working only for you people. So there is no, I mean, no live was planned today. But yes, after seeing the comments on the organic post that the video has been posted, a few of the students reached out to me personally. They said, sir. So I was having no batch in the app, the paid batch in the evening. So I made this presentation in quite hurry, because yes, your result matters to us, and that's why I'm here. Chalo. So I hope most of you have given the answer. The answer for this is C. Oh, no one. Chalo. No worries. Let's attempt. Now, actually, this was a tricky one. Because we ratify. If you have ratified things, if you have mucked up things, you are going to get -1 somewhere or the other. And that -1 beta creates huge difference. You know where, sir, we always mug this thing. What? Sir, this is a trans isomer. Okay. This is a cis isomer. Okay, because hydrogen same side, hydrogen opposite side. So we always think that trans has net dipole 0. Why you think that always? apply common sense, apply dipole moment at least, do it. So this CH3, this C, this is delta positive, this is delta negative. So vector will be from positive to negative. What about this one, sir? This is positive, this is negative. So vector will be here. Beta, although this is trans, but vector is not getting cancelled. It is in fact getting added up. Common sense. And the question will trick you. What about this one? Sir, here vector will be like this and here vector will be like this. So one vector this way, one vector this way, the y component will be at least cancelling. X will be getting added. But some component will be cancelled over there. Every component is getting added. So who will be having more dipole moment in this case? Sir, one will have more, although it is trans. The isomer which is having more dipole moment, which will be having high polarity, so dipole attraction will also be higher, so its boiling point will also be high. Melting point of trans is always higher because it is symmetric. It is saying it is lower, so wrong. So this is wrong. This is wrong. So obviously C will be your right answer, because this we have already spoken of. Melting point of trans is always more because it is more symmetric, and stability, sir, trans is always because the bulky groups are farther from each other, so it is always stable also. So the mistake that you must have made would be here, because you mug up certain things. So I hope everything is clear now. Guys, this was also a tricky one. I have deliberately taken this question actually. Moving to the next question. So it's an integer type question. So giving you a pole, but it's an integral value question. 30 seconds only, because I don't want to waste your precious time. Attempt, beta. Attempt, guys. Attempto, guys. Now, number of compounds with chiral carbon atoms from the following. Now you have to give me chiral 2-minute wait come to FF. Okay, beta. Attempt this one. Now the question says, how many have chiral? Sir, chiral is an sp3 hybridized carbon having all 4 differently substituted bonds. So let us find those differently substituted bonds. Sir, this carbon is having CH3, CO, H, and a carbon chain. So this is obviously chiral. So this is my one optically active. It is having no chiral carbon. You can see also how you can see it. Sir, if any carbon is double bonded, so leave it. If it is having CH2, so 2 hydrogen, who will have 2 CH? Sir, 2 degree will always be CH2. So why bother giving time to it? Now, what about this one? Sir, this is chiral. What about this one? No, sir, this carbon is having ethyl here also, so no. This is chiral, yes. So 1, 2, and 3. This is chiral, yes, so 4. This is chiral, yes, so 5. Here this is also chiral. So one of the, it may have mesoform, but it may not also, because they are giving you the simple structure, so you can assume any. And if it is not meso, then it is chiral. So how many options I have? 5. So let me check. Your answer is 5. Show result. No participant. Oh, what is happening, guys? Acha, nahi. In the comment section, we are having participants. Sushri is right. Sohan is right. Platinum is right. Perfect. Maybe poll is not reaching you. No worries. Again, you have to give the number of chiral carbons. So pole is again an integer type value. Time starts now. Where can I get the pole? Beta pole, download the Pi app, Pi Lens app. You can just drag your cursor in the beginning of the video. I have given the details for the app, the Pi app. So from there you can get the pole also, not for this video, for every video. If you are not having time to watch the video properly, you can just ask that Pi Lens app that summarize this for me and give me quizzes and PYQs out of this. So yes, it will be taking and analyzing the topic which the teacher, as in I am teaching, and it will give you loads of questions, PYQs for free. Good. Chalo. So poll has ended. Answer is 6. A classic question. Yeah, Daban. Daban is Dabang. Chalo. So Daban is answer. No. We are having in the chat section also huge number of participants. Sohan is right. Meenakshri is right. The clip guy is right. Chalo. Let us attempt this one, sir. We have to select chiral carbon. So let us select it. NeSCH2, do not see it. So sir, CH2, double bonded. Ha, sir. This is a chiral carbon. So 1, CH2, sir 2, sir 3, CH2, sir 4, sir 5, this one 6. So how many chiral carbon you can see? Having differently substituted bonds. So this is just a drawing. I hope with practice you will get it. Moving to the next question. Answer is definitely 6. I have made those 6 dots. Moving to the next one. Time starts now. Moving to this one. Time starts now. Good. Moksha, good. Somesh, good. Shivang. Oh, Shivang is a very nice name. Shivang is actually name of my son too. Chalo, good. Good. Chalo. Now, moving to perfect. Moving to acha, we still have time for the poll, because I'll be discussing a question where the poll results are not good, or else obviously I have discussed the logic. Half of the students are right. Chalo, let us check. Which of the following compound? Beta, this is the same question yaar. Butanoic acid. So 1, 2, 3, 4 double bond O and OH, and second carbon is having methyl, which will make this carbon as chiral carbon. So it can show stereoisomerism. What is the problem with this? Chalo, no worries. I hope you have got this one now. Moving to the next one. A question from conformational isomers. I hope you can make it. A very classic question, a very probable question, beta, although it is a JEE advanced question. But don't look at this advanced thing, because NTA is now asking everything to everybody. So make sure that you are digesting all the facts. है ना? Chalo, attempt, guys, quick. A. No, beta. I don't think so. Answer is A. Let's check. It is clearly B. Okay, less. Chalo. Beta, the question is asking you conformational isomer. Beta, what are conformational isomers? Sir, C single bond C can freely rotate. How many strains it has? 2 types of strain. Van der Waals strain because of the groups, and torsional strain because of the bond pair repulsion. Now, obviously staggered form has high torsional strain also, van der Waals strain also, but eclipsed form is very stable. Why? Because eclipsed form has very bare minimum torsional strain, and van der Waals strain whenever van der Waals strain is less. So van der Waals strain is less generally in anti-staggered, and this is Gaussian staggered. But sometimes when Gaussian staggered are associated with intramolecular hydrogen bonding, so it can get more stable, and hence here B is your answer. Generally anti-staggered is more stable. Generally anti-staggered is more stable, but not always. Once you have case of intramolecular H bonding, then Gaussian becomes more stable. So B will be your right answer. Moving to the next one, mesoform. Your time starts now. Mesoform beta. Mesoform. What is? Yes, Gaussian effect due to H bonding. Yes, beta. Yes. Chalo. Moving to the next one, guys. Moving to the next one, guys. Chalo. Now, how many of the following compounds are meso? Sir, this is meso? No, because molecular formula is also different. Meso is you should have a element of symmetry, generally a plane of symmetry. So this is not. Here also chlorine are different, so I cannot have any plane. No. Yes, sir. This is chiral carbon and this is a chiral carbon. And if I cut this molecule along this element of symmetry, it will definitely have a symmetrical form. So yes, this is definitely meso. That means 3 only. That means option B. So your answer will be Bombay. 60%. Fair enough. Fair enough. Moving to next one, guys. Attempt this one. Your time starts now. Attempt this one. Your time starts now. Keep attempting, beta, na? Yeah, good. So what does this question tell you? The question is, which of the following is correct structure of L-glucose? Sir, in NCERT we have seen D-glucose. What is D-glucose? Sir, D-glucose is, if I have this chiral carbon, 4 chiral carbon, this is aldehyde and this is CH2OH as in 1 degree alcohol. So the rhyme that we should learn for a Fischer projection of D-glucose is, from right side of the second carbon, you should always say this rhyme, OH, OH. What is the rhyme? OH. And functionally, if the last chiral carbon is having the functional horizontally present functional group on the right side, the configuration is called a deconfiguration. The configuration is called a deconfiguration. And if this functional group is on the left hand side, it is called an L configuration. But if it is a glucose, then the complete thing should go this side, or else it will not be a glucose. So to have this OH on this side, everything should be rotated on this side. So I should have OH on the left side. So OH on the left side. So option A is definitely your right answer. I hope you have very few. Shweta VK only have got the right answer. Good, Shweta. Attempt this one. Your time starts now. Chalo. Attempt this one. Your time starts now. Yes. Yes. People are right. Moving to the next one, guys. Moving to the next one, guys. Chalo. Total number of stereoisomers possible for the given structure. Now again, you just have to count the chiral carbon and maybe the geometrical stereocenters. So this geometrical stereocenter can't be having the ability to show geometrical isomerism because its group are same, so gone. I mean, this is gone. Yes, this carbon is chiral, and yes, this is a Good. So this can show geometric isomerism and this can show RNS. So I can have one optical center this, one optical center this, both can show two types of isomerism. So what will be the total isomers? 2 raised to power 2 as in 4. So option 3 will be your right answer. That is C. Yes, good, 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 good. Moving to the next one, the last question from the first part of GOC. Then we'll be moving to the second, the most important part of GOC is electron displacement effect, deciding the stability of carbocation, carbon, ion, free radical, resonance, hyperconjugation, mesomerism, aromaticity, acidic nature, basic nature. Every conceptual organic chemistry is after this, which is GOC 2. This was GOC 1, isomerism and IUPAC. See how much time we took. This is a huge topic, but how much time we took? But yes, because of you people, you are working very nicely. Good. I'm very happy for everybody. Chalo. I hope. Acha, I have not given you poll for this one. No worries. Let us attempt this. The question says, statement 1 is there are several conformers for N-butane. Out of those conformers is the least stable. Acha, this is the least stable. Haan, because this is anti-staggered perfectly. This is least stable, having highest energy. And yes, this is most stable because this is... okay, I'm sorry. What? I am very sorry. I think we should take... okay, we'll be finishing this first half and then we'll be taking some 10 minutes break. Hai na? Because I am writing opposite thing. That is anti-staggered. This is fully eclipsed. This is fully eclipsed, most unstable, highest energy. This is anti-staggered. So yes, this is definitely true. Statement 2 is as dihedral angle increase. What is dihedral angle? This angle. As dihedral angle, this theta increases, obviously torsional strain decreases. So this is also true. So both statements are true as an option A. Option A is your right answer. Good, good, good. Perfect. Moving to the next one. Now we are starting GOC. So starting with this electron displacement effect question, your time starts now. Attempt, guys. Attempt, attempt, attempt. Keep on giving everything that you have. Everything that you have. Because yes, things are sometimes monotonous. Arey sir, I am feeling sleepy. Beta, it is very easy to feel bored. But yes, the person who be there, keep doing the disciplined thing again and again is called a disciplined person. If you are planning to be a doctor, the complete profession is nothing but about discipline only. Yes, the poll has ended and okay, 1/3. Let's see. A very conceptually sound question, beta. Please make note of it. Electron withdrawing power. So this is talking of minus I effect. Strongest minus I effect is of NO2. It is highly, highly, highly electron withdrawing. So C is strongest electron withdrawing. After that, we have this nitrile, because triple bonded nitrogen with an sp hybridized carbon is obviously another electronegative but less than NO2. So C is most. Then you have A. Then you have COOH, which is having a electronegative carbonyl groups also, although it is also highly electron withdrawing, and least will be halogen. So option C will be your answer. Try and attempt this one. Your time starts now. Try this one, guys. Sir, I have 330 marks in NTA mock test paper. How much can I expect in beta? Double? If you are trying to put in everything, why can't you expect double? Why do you expect just 10%, 20%, 30% more? Maximize your expectation, because accordingly you will be maximizing your inputs also. And definitely then everything will be doable. Right? Chalo. Attempt, guys. Now, the question is, okay, I've given the poll. So let the poll end in that case, so that we may see how many of us have attempted it correctly. Very good percentage, good percentage. So obviously this is a basic question from chemical bonding also, because they also give stability of resonating structures, and definitely more be the number of covalent bonds, structure is more stable. Second period element octet should be complete, everything is tie for now. After that, opposite charges should be as close as possible, and similar charges should be as far as possible. And if you just apply that, because it is having positive charge, opposite charge, positive plus charges, similar charges closer, so obviously they will have huge repulsion, so this will be least stable. And obviously most of you have given the answer correctly, so good. Moving to the next one. Your time starts now. Attempt, beta. Attempt this one, guys. Quick, 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 quick. Now the question says correct stability order of the following resonating structure, which is this. Sir, this is pi sigma bond pi, where you see that pi, so this double bonded O is a pi sigma pi cloud. Now obviously this is the neutral structure, so this will be most stable, so 3 will be most stable. Only with this you can answer this. Answer is 3, but yes, let us do it. So oxygen being electronegative will take away the electron, so this will become minus, this will become plus, is a good electron flow. So because this is minus R group as well, so after that 2 will come, and least will be this, because now oxygen, which is electronegative, is getting the positive charge, which is least stable. Yeah, I hope everybody have got the answer. So answer for this question will be Bombay. Let us see the percentage. Yes, so, decent enough. Moving to the next one. Now put down your pen and copy. Put down your pen and copy. Put down your pen and copy, because this is a very conceptual thing. I'm going to repeat it only once. A very conceptual thing. I'm going to repeat it only once. Listen to me very carefully. Now, I'm going to make you revise complete resonance effect, that too very delicately, with this JEE advanced question. This is nothing but beta naphthol. Whenever I have naphthalene, this position is called alpha position, and this is called beta position. So general name of this is beta naphthol. Beta naphthol, because we know alcohol, as in aromatic alcohol, is a stronger acid than water. So it reacts with base and forms the corresponding salt. So salt will be the anion of this. That means this anion. This O with a negative sign. Make sure you have put down your pens. Now, how many resonating structures this can show? Be very relaxed and just see the flow of electron. What is resonance? Flow of electrons. What electrons? Non-sigma, because they are not delocalized, they are avara, they are random, they have high entropy, so they can freely roam around. Let us make them roam around. Yes, beta. Nanda Kumar, beta, it is more than sufficient for your NEET examination. Just hold on and be with me for the next maybe 2 hours more. Okay. So what will be the resonating structure, sir? Ultimately, first thing will be, I will be moving the electron clouds. How, sir? This minus, if gone here, then I can have this electron flow, pi sigma minus. So this will give me my first, I mean, this is the one of the resonating structure, but the second resonating structure. Okay, let me first draw the cyclic chain, so that I may pick that cyclic chain a few times. Okay, so let me just take this for few times. Chalo. So what I am trying to do over here is draw resonating structures for you. So this is a double bond with an O. I will get a minus over here and remaining bonds are as it is. So this is resonating structure 1. This is resonating structure 2. Now, after resonating structure 2, I can have an electron flow on this side. So this minus will go here and this cloud will come here. So after that, where I am reaching, after that, I am reaching, this is double bonded O fix. So this is a new pi bond. Now I have my minus over here. Remaining bonds are as it is. Now I have two possibilities. Can you see those two possibilities? Possibility number 1, the flow can be on this side. Possibility number 2, the flow can be on that side. How you have to check the flow? Sir, minus has flown from this to this side, came to this side. Now it is flowing this side and this side. So this side it should reach till here. So let us flow it that side. So let us flow it that side. So first I'm doing resonating structure on this flow. So this flow will make electron over here. So these bonds are as it is. This is as it is. This is as it is. The electron has just flown over here with a minus sign over here. After this, sir, again this flow will bring the oxygen over there. So now there I'll be having one more structure. What structure? Let us make that one also. So this bond as it is, this bond as it is, this bond as it is, and now an O minus. So structure number 2, 3, 4, 5. But sir, here we are still about to make the structures. Just make this one structure beta. After that, you will be very much comfortable with resonance. Hang on. Now, sir, let us suppose and draw those flow over this ring. So from here also it should reach there. From here also it should reach there. From here also it should reach there. So let me draw the flow to this carbon, then to here. So this carbon, then to here. Every bond, other bond as it is. So this is as it is. This is double bonded O. This is as it is. I hope you can see the structure. This is structure number 5, then 6. After this sixth one, this minus will flow here. I will get a charge here. Let us make it flow. So a minus over here, remaining bonds as it is. Structure number 7. After that, still the electron has to reach till this oxygen. So a flow over here will give you the next structure. So structure number 8. How 8? Acha, first let me borrow this structure. I guess this will be the last one. How I'm saying this? Because oxygen electron is reaching here. So minus there, double bond here, a double bond here, a double bond here, a double bond here, a double bond here. I hope everybody is clear. Now last structure. What will be the last structure? So electron has flown to this side. So this is now O minus. This is a double bond as it is, as it is, as it is, as it is. So structure number 9. So how many resonating structures? I'm having 9. This is a JEE advanced question beta. I am not saying good morning sir. See beta, see, I understand. You do not have to do this in your main examination, but why I have deliberately taken this question is to make you feel that how we are calculating, how we are analyzing and drawing those resonating structures, so that even in your examination a simple question will come. but this will help you to revise the complete. Okay, now everybody needs a break, I guess, after this, and even I do need it. So just let me finish this first half and then we'll be taking a break. है ना? A 10 minutes break. Chalo. I guess for this half, I'm having, okay, let us attempt this one. Let us attempt this one with 30 seconds. The stability, because now you are must be comfortable with resonating structure and the resonance and electron displacement effect. So let us attempt this one. Let us attempt this one, guys. Hey, how much time we took to do that question, beta? I mean, why saying J advanced? Beta, that is conceptually good. That was a conceptually sound question. That's why I have taken that question. Chalo, chalo, chalo. No worries. Moving to the next one. Now the basic questions. See, a J Mains 2026 question. Why I am taking these 20? Because NT has asked them just now. I mean, just a few days back. Correct order of stability for the following is, sir, this is quite a chemical bonding basic. Sir, this is highly electronegative. sp hybridized carbon can digest that electron to the maximum extent. So obviously sp will be most stable. So answer will be option A. Less number of participants, but still A will be your right answer, because sp then sp2 more electronegative, so can easily digest the electrons. Moving to the next one. Attempt this one, guys. Your time starts now. Attempt this one. Nanda Kumar. Beta, the only reason we are here and doing this live at, I guess this is 1 p.m. na? 1 a.m. not p.m. is because of the fact that your marks could increase. So there is no family pressure, beta. Don't you want to do good in your life? So what family? What else? What they want out of you? You be at your best. That's it. So that's not a pressure. First of all, that is not a pressure. Take it as a responsibility, a casual one, because who is going to be benefited out of that? You. Chalo. So let me check how many of you have got the answer. Very few. So let me explain this also. Question says choose the correct heat of combustion. Now, what is heat of combustion? The amount of heat released when 1 mole of a compound undergo combustion is heat of combustion. Why, if I'm stable, will I agree to decompose myself? I am stable, then I will not want to react. That means I will give less heat. So your conclusion is the stability of a compound is inversely proportional to the amount of heat released when that particular compound is subjected to combustion. So I hope you just have to check the stability. Now this alkene is resonance stabilized. This is not resonance stabilized. This is having hyperconjugation stabilization. How many? So 2, 4, 6 and 8 hyperconjugation. But alkene still, but resonance is more stable. This is having resonance also and hyperconjugation also. So resonance also and obviously hyperconjugation also. But obviously resonance is a more dominating effect, sir. We have drawn so many resonating structures. That means resonance is a dominating effect. So which is, sir, it is resonance also, it is aromatic also. So this is most stable. So it will be having least enthalpy of combustion. So 1 will be having least. After that 3, option C will be your right answer. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Moving to the next one. Again, a highest enolic content, a classic question. Why? Because this is CH2, this is CH2, this is CH2. This is the keto form. I have already said this, the generally keto form is stable, but here keto form will be less stable because the enol form will be resonance stabilized. So this will be OH, this will be OH, and this will be OH. So this will have maximum enol content. Moving to the next one. Last 3 questions before the 10 minutes break, beta. Last 3 questions before the 10 minutes break. Moving to the next one. Your time starts now. A theoretical question. Students get scared out of reading the theory. You know, there was a time when JE used to take English. The level of communication in a good college is what? English. They used to take English paper separately. But now what NTA has smartly done, they make you read and write English a lot, that English, the testing your English skill is done in the paper only. So this is good. This is good. All the students who do not wish to communicate in English or do not, that's why learning in English is actually important as well, because down the line professionally, English is definitely the only medium of communication. Hard fact, but yes, it is a fact. Chalo. Yeah, good one. I guess most of the students are, because this you are learning in English medium, that means your English is good, and this proves the English is good, because obviously this is a theoretical question. Electrophile is electron loving species, so it can be neutral also. It is obviously positively charged also, and it can relax itself by accepting electron pair from a nucleophile, which is electron rich. So very attemptable question. Try this one, guys. Try this one. हाँ बेटा, इस वीडियो से 70 मार्क्स पॉसिबल है, more than possible, because this will also help you to, now after this what you have to do is just learn the basics of NCERT from class 12 naming reaction. That's it. These basics will make all your organic questions correct. Yes, this is indeed a very important session. That is why I'm here, yaar. Don't don't beta be I mean, have that compassion. If students are learning, then let them do so. Chalo, poll stopped. None, beta. Why is it so difficult? Let us attempt this. The ascending order of acidic hydrogen. So you have to give the acidic nature. Obviously, this is aliphatic alcohol. Aliphatic alcohol is even weaker than water. So this is weakest acid. So A will be weakest acid. So A will be weakest acid. So Bombay is wrong. C is wrong. After that, sir, all are phenol. Electron withdrawing group increases acidic nature. Electron donating group decreases acidic nature. Most electron withdrawing nature is resonance. So resonance is operational at ortho and para. So phenol having minus R, very good. Phenol having minus R at two sides, so E is most acidic. So E is most acidic. After that, I have Bombay because only one NO2. After that, I have Bombay. Then D, because normal phenol is better. Why? Because this is plus R, so this is electron donating. So phenol is better. So after that, B, then C, and aliphatic alcohol is least. But still, we had very less students giving. I hope it is clear to everybody. Moving to the next question. Answer this, guys. Your time starts now. Answer this one. Wrong question? No, beta, it is not. Chalo. The ascending order of acidity among the following compound. Now these are the compounds and you have to give me the acidic order. Sir, carboxylic acid are even stronger than carbonic acid, H2CO3. So that's why this organic compound, although organic compound are weak acid, but carboxylic acid is even stronger than H2CO3. So it can either react with carbonate and bicarbonate salt. So carboxylic acid, this is also carboxylic acid. This carboxylic acid is having plus R group. So because of plus R, acidic nature will increase, and this is having nothing. So this is better. So E is most acidic. Only one option is having E most acidic. After that, Delhi, you already have got the answer. After that, you have Bombay because phenol with electron withdrawing group. This is phenol with electron donating group, so it will be last. Why? Because phenol will be better. So last will be C, phenol will be better. So option D is a very probable question. If we have attempted a similar question of that sort in the previous one, at least we have have got increment in the number of right question for this. Now I will be changing, I will be updating this slide because yes, now this finishes. I mean, yes, we have few of the GOC concepts more, but yes, let us take 10 minutes break. And what is the time? 1:07. So we will be back at 1:15. Okay. So I will be back at 1:15 a.m. Good. I will be back. I'm taking a bio break. You also, uh, my coffee is finished. So let me bring some coffee for myself. So we'll meet at 1:15. Okay. Chalo, done. Yes. Hello. We are back. I hope you are back too. We are back. Guys, chalo. Let's start. Now, I hope I'm clearly visible and audible again. Chalo, guys, let's start. Let's finish off what we have started and planned for today. So come back and start attempting the basics of organic chemistry, the foundational organic chemistry of class 11th with me. We have completed the IUPAC isomerism, the GOC 1 part, and we are continuing with the GOC 2 part, electron displacement effects, aromaticity, and acidic and basic nature. So the next question for you is a JEE 2026 question. Why I'm bringing these questions? I mean, just from few days, because NTA has found interest in them in a JEE mains examination, and for your for your NEET paper also, for your NEET examination also, you should focus on the conceptual side of chemistry. So best of luck. This is the next question for you, and your time starts now. You have to give among the following compound the total number of compounds that are soluble in NaOH. A basic from chapter of alcohols, aldehyde, ketones, that whatever acids who are stronger acids than water can react with a base and undergo neutralization. So aldehyde is no acid, sir. Alcohol, yes sir, aromatic alcohol, not aliphatic, aromatic alcohol. This is also aromatic alcohol. This is also aromatic alcohol. Sir, this is carboxylic acid. Sir, this is amine, so it's a base. Sir, this is carboxylic acid. Sir, this is a hydrocarbon. Sir, this is an alcohol but not aromatic. This CH2 will make it an aliphatic alcohol, and aliphatic alcohol are even weaker acids than water. So how many acids we have? 5. Okay, this was an integer type question, so giving pole was inaccurate, but let me still still, now this is called a tukka, this is called a fluke shot because it was not even ABCD, and therefore we had 5 molecules which are more which can give neutralization. So moving to the next question. Yeah, this is a integer type 1 and you can attempt it. Your time starts now. A very traditional question, a very classic question, a very conceptual question from your class 12th organic, but a foundational question for general organic chemistry as well. सर प्लीज एक बार ये बता दो कैसे पॉसिबल है, I mean, एक बार बता दो अच्छे से मेरे को क्या करना पड़ेगा सर. प्लीज बेटा पढ़ना पड़ेगा. You have to read is what you have to do. Abhi Nagpal, Mr. Nagpal, you have to study beta. Now the question says, among the two reactions, obviously alcohol with sodium will form the salt and hydrogen gas will be released. Carboxylic acid, again a stronger acid than carbonic acid, so will release H2CO3. Carbonic acid is unstable, so it will form CO2 and water. So CO2 will be the gas. You have to give the molecular mass of the gases, summation. So this is 2, this is 44, so total will be 46. Option B will be your right answer. Option B. No, none of the student has given the answer correctly. I hope you got it now. Try and attempt this one, guys. Your time starts now. I want full participation, beta. You have to participate for your own good. I hope you can do that. I hope you can do that. Come on, quick, and super quick. The question says the hydrogens are depicted to you and you have to give the most acidic hydrogen. So again, application of electron displacement effect. And what does electron displacement effect tell you? So this hydrogen, if lost as H plus, a carb anion will come here. If this hydrogen is lost, a carb anion will come here. If this is lost, a carb anion will come here. If this is lost, a carb anion will come here. Yes, this carb anion is resonance stabilized. This is Also resonance stabilized, extended resonance, but an extended resonance till here. This is also, this is cross conjugation, minus sigma pi, no, minus sigma sigma, no, not, but this is conjugated till here. So this is also conjugated, this is also resonance stabilized, this is also resonance stabilized. Resonance stabilized carbon ion is not formed. Whenever carbon can release H plus, sir, carbon is not electronegative. How can it release H plus? If the carbon ion is aromatic, aromatic is the extreme case of resonance stabilization. So if you just watch over here, if this minus goes here and this minus comes here, so this ring will become aromatic. Why? Huckel's rule, because it will then be having 6 pi electrons. So therefore it will gain aromaticity, which is the extreme case of resonance stabilization, and hence B will be your right answer. Let us see who has given. Okay, still we have got 33% of the student giving the correct answer. So it was a conceptually very sound question. Let us attempt this one, guys. I hope you can do this. Come on, come on, come on. Push yourself. Yes, you can do it. Push yourself. Yes, you can do it. Always when you feel demotivated, always you feel मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा, I can't do it. Think of your parents by closing your eyes. Think of anything positive which you want to be in your life, and then you will be getting that extra kick, beta. Chalo. Answer this one. Now you have to tell which is least acidic. Now you have to tell which is least acidic. Sir, this is alcohol, this is sulfonic acid, this is carboxylic acid, and this is alkyne. Yes, this alkyne definitely is a terminal alkyne. So this hydrogen can be released as H plus, and this carbon is attached with a carbonyl group, which is rather obviously electron withdrawing, but at end of the day it is a sp hybridized carbon, and remaining are highly acidic functional group if you talk of organic compound. So this D will be least acidic, as in option A will be your right answer. So let us check who has given the correct answer. Very less students, but still I am happy because some are working fine. Now this is a multiple correct question because this is a JEE advanced question, beta. So please do it with great amount of ease. I hope you can crack this one. I hope you can crack this one. Now, consider the following compounds. Okay, sir, I have considered. You have to choose the correct statement. Now, this is a good question, beta, because theory is also there and obviously concept is also there. Now, the question is, statement A says correct basicity. So, who is a stronger base? Sir, aniline, the lone pair is localized inside the ring. Here also it is localized inside the ring, but at least it is having plus I and electron donating group. Electron donating group increases basic nature. So obviously among 1 and 2, 2 will be more acidic. So among 1 and 2, 2 will be more acidic. But if you see, yes sir, this is electron withdrawing group, and electron withdrawing group will grasp this lone pair more, so this will be weaker. So these are also electron withdrawing group, but at least once this nitro group is placed at ortho position, they inhibit the lone pair from getting in the resonance, applying inhibition to resonance. So this is a classic case of steric inhibition to resonance, where lone pair are not allowed to come inside because now they are not inclined parallel to each other, because they will rotate because of the crowding, which is steric inhibition to resonance. So therefore among 3 and 4, 4 having the plus I will be more acidic than 3. So therefore this is incorrect. Now the basic nature difference, sir, when the crowding has taken place, there will be no resonance, so there will be large difference in the basic nature. 4 will be very highly basic than 3. Obviously, they will be less because ultimately electron withdrawing groups are there, so they will withdraw. Sir, but you are saying resonance will not. Beta, NO2 apply highest minus I as well. So inductive will be there, no. So they are definitely less than these two. But the difference between basic nature and between these two is very large. So just read the option. The magnitude of pKb difference between 1 to, no sir, it is very less. This is very large. This is very large. So obviously this is also incorrect. Resonance effect is more in 3 than 4. Yes, because here it is inhibited. So C is correct. Steric effect makes compound 4 more basic. Yes, obviously it is also saying the correct thing. So C and D makes your question correct. A very rather good question. So C and D is our right answer. Okay, Shweta VK. Shweta, perfect beta. I'm very proud of you. Moving to the last question, then we'll be moving to hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon will be our last class 11th organic topic and our last topic. But yes, hydrocarbon will be taking at least but yes, it will be finished in, I guess, 30-45 minutes. So we'll be wrapping up after that. Chalo. So try and attempt this one, guys. The last question for GOC. Your time starts now. You have to give the correct basic strength for amines. You have to give the correct basic strength for amines. Now, sir, we know that amines are basic and the most dominating effect is inductive effect. But there are other effect also, steric effect and hydration effect. Because of that, generally 2-degree amine becomes most basic. So can you find a 2-degree amine? Yes, sir. This is also, okay, this is aromatic, so gone. N-ethyl and ethanamine, N-ethyl aromatic, so gone. So between BC you have to choose. Then I have ethanamine, this is common. Then I have benzamine, and obviously this is also aromatic, but at least this is substituted, so it will be more basics. Option C will be your correct answer. Option C will be your correct answer. Okay, more than 60% people are active now. Good. Moving to hydrocarbon, our last topic for today, a very important topic, a very famous topic. Most of the students miss this because they do not remember class 11th. So let us revise complete class 11th hydrocarbon chapter, which will be applied and used in whole of your class 12th organic. So moving to the first question, now from here what I have done this, I have removed these all are PYQs, maybe advance, maybe JEE mains, maybe NEET. But why I'm doing this? Maybe because now you are through with GOC, and hence I want you to not have a prejudice that what is that question, because in your examination, in your NEET examination, question will not dance in front of you and say I am cut in, I am difficult, I'm easy, I'm moderate. You have to identify by yourself. So start identifying by yourself from now. Let us revise hydrocarbon using this. And the first question is in front of you. This is a multiple correct question. I'm telling you this. So this is a multiple correct question. Your time starts now. Your time starts now. Quick. Compounds on hydrogenation produces optically inactive compound. So this is a classic case of reaction, unsaturated hydrocarbon, alkene and alkyne, on reaction with hydrogen in presence of nickel, platinum, palladium undergo hydrogenation, and alkene becomes an alkane. So this is a logic that you remember from your class 11th. Now apply spice of GOC in it. So now you are supposed to give me that who will become optically inactive. Then obviously you can see option A is having a chiral carbon, but once you remove this, it will become CH2 and CH, because now it will become saturated. So once it becomes saturated, still it is optically active. So this is not my answer because I want it to be optically inactive. Now, if this becomes CH3 and this becomes CH2, then this is both ethyl. So this will become optically inactive because now both groups will be ethyl and it will not be a chiral carbon. What about here? So this is methyl. This will be isopropyl. So still it will be optically active. So not an answer. Here, so this is ethyl. This will also become ethyl. So this will also become inactive. So your answer will be Bombay and Delhi. Although this was an advanced question, but now you tell me what is advanced in it. The only thing is from class 10th, you know hydrogenation. Combine it with GOC. That's a good question now. So this is combination of logic which advanced do. So that's what I'm saying. Conceptually, you should know this, and your NEET examination will also be doable for you now. So your answer is B and D. Let us see. Very good. Ankita, very good, beta. But I hope many students are answering in the chat section. But this is not reflecting in the polls. No worries. So attempt this one. This is a single correct question. Attempt this one, guys. The question says the increasing order of reduction of alkyl halides with zinc and dilute acid. Zinc and dilute acid reduces alkyl halide and form corresponding alkane. So zinc in acidic medium is used to reduce alkyl halides to form alkane. Now, ultimately you are removing halogen. So which halogen will be removed easily, sir? The one which is having higher bond length, because bond will be broken easily. So which will be having highest, sir, bond length? Sir, Ri will be highest, then RBr, then RCl. So obviously Bombay is your right answer. I hope you guys have attempted it. We are still, so see, not even 30 seconds it took. Yeah, good. The percentage is increasing. Next one. Attempt this one, guys. Attempt this one, guys. I hope it is clear to everybody. Attempt this one. Quick. Yeah, good. I guess in the comment section, people are answering. In the poll, I'm not seeing that much of response. Okay, be it. Download PyLens. Then the polling will be working fine. It will be also helping you in other ways also. Chalo. Which of the following alkane cannot be prepared by Wood's reaction? Now, Wood's reaction is when alkyl halide are reacted with sodium in presence of dry ether. What is produced? Sir, RR. But it is always, because odd and odd will also be even, even and even will also be even. So whatever alkane you are producing, it will be having even number of carbon atoms. Sir, heptane is not having even number of carbon atoms, so it can't be prepared. I hope a very logical question, but a doable question for, yeah, good. Percentage is also good. Good one. Attempt this one, guys. We are revising. See, we have already revised preparation of alkanes by attempting such questions. I hope you are getting my point. I am making you revise attempt questions sequentially as per your NCERT framing of the whole hydrocarbons chapter. So beta, this session is going to help you like anything. Please be vigilant for the next maximum 45 minutes. Chalo, good. Now, next question says you have to give the weight of 2 moles of organic compound which is obtained by heating sodium ethanoate. Sodium ethanoate. Eth as in 2 carbon, OH as in salt of ethanoic acid in presence of calcium oxide. So I am heating with NaOH in presence of CO. So this is classic case of soda lime decarboxylation. So soda lime decarboxylation will release this CO2 in form of Na2CO3. This methane will take away this hydrogen and will form methyl will form methane. So 1 mole it will form 1 mole because question is saying 2 moles, so 2 moles will form 2 mole. So 2 mole of methane will weigh, weight of one molecule is 16, so 16 into 2 is 32 grams. So C will be your right answer. I hope you attempt, yeah, 60% students are right, so I hope you are good with this. Next attempt, this one. Your time starts now. N-butane on monochlorination under photochemical condition gives an optically active compound P. Okay. Normal butane on chlorination. So butane as in 4 carbon, chlorination as in when Cl2 in presence of sunlight is used, it can form 1 chloro also, it can form 2 chloro also, but I guess 2 chloro will be optically active. Hence, I'm taking this one. So this will be my P. P on further chlorination gives dichloro compound. I have to further do chlorination. So it will form dichloro. And I have to give the isomers. Okay, I do not have to consider the stereoisomer. So you just have to give the structural possibilities. Sir, it is also easy, because now we have to decorate this with chlorine. So how many monochloro? So 1 chlorine will go here, isomer 1, 1 will go here, isomer 2, 1 will come here, isomer 3, 1 will come here, isomer 4. So how many isomers? Sir, 4 isomer. Bombay will be your right answer. I hope you have got it. So Bombay will be your right answer. Good, good. Still 60% are doing it. Attempt this one, guys. Your time starts now. Attempt this one. Yeah, perfect. Karan, perfect. Ananya, no. Okay, Karan is saying my bad. No, beta, it's okay. Henry, perfect. What about this one, guys? Quick. Chalo. How many products include, now you have to include stereoisomers, are expected from monochlorination of this compound. Now through this we are doing the free radical substitution of alkane. So reactions of alkane we are studying with questions sequentially as per NCERT. So you have to give me the monochloro products, but yes, now you have to include stereoisomers also. So this one or this one will give you first isomer, this will give you second isomer, this will give you third isomer, this will give you fourth isomer. Then let us check for optical activity. This will not be, this will be optically active. Once I get chlorine over here, so this will also become optically active. So 4 isomers are these, and second will have one more enantiomer, so that will be the 5th one, and third will have one more enantiomer, so that will be the 6th one. So answer will be Delhi. Let us check. Very less. I hope it is clear to everybody now. Not 5 beta, not 5 beta. Fast go beta. I'm going fast, but at least I have to bring all the students with me. People are, if doubtful, I hope. Yeah, perfect. Have that compassion, beta. I can finish much faster, but beta, I am here to teach. I passed JEE back in the year 2007. My AIR was around 6,000. I'm graduate from NIT Kurukshetra. So yes, back at my time there were only 6 IITs. So I can do much faster. But beta, I'm here to teach, to bring every student with me. Chalo. Again, an integer type, so pole is not useful for this one, because the answer is an integer. So let us crack this. 1 mole of alkane X require 8 mole of oxygen for complete combustion. Okay, so alkane is CnH2n plus 2 it is requiring oxygen to form CO2 and H2O. So CO2 will be N, H2O will be N plus 1 because 2 will make it 2N plus 2. So hydrogen is 2N from here, hydrogen is N plus 1 from here. So I need a 3N plus 1 by 2 over here. And this 3N plus 1 by 2 is given out to be 8. That means 3N plus 1 is 16. That is 3N is 15. That is N is 5. So I know this is C5 and H12. So what shall be the number of carbon and hydrogen? 15, 12 plus 5 is 17. So 17 will be your right answer. But this poll is that's why you have not given response also. So it's good. Let us attempt the next one. And this is a single correct question, so you can use the poll as well and revise your 11th organic as well. No, somebody saying 12. No, beta. Sir, can you suggest some important topic in organic, beta? These are those important topics, and tomorrow tomorrow these are very important topics, beta, because through them I am revising complete class 11th organic. Sir, can you say, I've already loader, I've already answered that. Friend. Perfect. Now, this is combustion. So, some combustion reaction of methane are given below. Which of them are controlled? So, sir, this is complete combustion. Yes, methane with oxygen with heated copper at 300 degrees Celsius forms corresponding alcohol. With molybdenum oxide, you form aldehyde. With manganese diacetate, you form acid. So, both of them are correct. So, option D will be your right answer. Good percentage. Moving to the next one, guys. Try this one. Try and attempt this one, people. Try and attempt this one, people. Not to worry, beta. No, Aisha is saying I count H only. No, not to worry, beta. Making mistake is no problem. Yes, repeating mistake is a problem. So try not to repeat mistakes. Making is good. Don't make in the examination is you what you should aim for. Chalo. So moving to the next one, which says you have to give. Now this is again we are revising complete class 11 through questions, and these are all PYQs, relevant questions. So anhydrous AlCl3 in presence of HCl is nothing but isomerization of alkanes. So just break one carbon and introduce it as a branch. So these are 6 carbon chains. Hexane will form pentane with one branch. So pentane with one branch. Obviously, this is the only case how you are going to get chlorine or cyclization. So your answer is definitely C. Good percentage. Moving to the next one. Attempt this one, guys. Attempt this one. Beta, inorganic, Yuvesh beta, just go to the live section today in the 500 marathon MCQ that we have done combined for physics, biology and chemistry. In that I have taken largely inorganic more. So I've completed whole of the inorganic revision like this, taking the relevant questions. So kindly just check that live, today's live in the afternoon, where we can get the PDF. Join NEET English WhatsApp channel. You will be getting all these lecture notes PDF for free. So PW NEET English WhatsApp channel you have to join, and then you'll be getting all this PDF. Loader, that's answer for you. Okay. The question is, Compound X on presence of anhydrous AlCl3 gives this. Aromatization gives toluene. Now this is a classic case of after uh, isomerization. NCRT gives you aromatization. So aromatization of heptane, hexane will give benzene, heptane will give toluene. So if you are getting toluene, then this is definitely heptane. You do not have to see the other options. I hope everybody is with me on this. Perfect, 50% are correct. Okay. Moving to the next one, your time starts now. Identify A in the reaction. Now, this is molybdenum oxide. You can either use chromium, vanadium oxides at 500 degrees Celsius, 10 to 20 atm. They also undergo first cyclization, then aromatization. So how many carbon alkane I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon with a branch. So obviously this is going to give you what? Sir, 6 carbon with a branch is obviously going to give me again toluene. Yeah, perfect, perfect. So I hope we will be getting lot of participants here also. Okay, this is, see, these all are PYQs. How much time you took? Less than 30 seconds after explaining also. Good. Percentage has increased. Good. Good. Attempt this one. Answer, guys. In the given reaction, you have to identify A and B. This is Lindlar's catalyst, palladized charcoal. This is Lindlar's catalyst producing cis alkene. So I've got a cis alkene. That means A will definitely be an alkyne. So A will be an alkyne. It can't be alkane. Now, alkyne with hydrogen, this is Birch reduction, which will form trans alkene. So B will be a trans alkene. So B will be a trans alkene. So this is also wrong. Option A is your right answer. See, I can't give you less than 30 seconds. But yes, if you are good with your NCRT logics, with your basics, see how much time you are taking to attempt a question. Very less person. Oh, Daban. Daban is a Dabhang. He has been performing since the beginning of this live. So Daban, proud of you, beta. God bless. Moving to the next question. Answer this. Henry, class. Okay. Quick, beta, quick. Quick, quick. Black coffee is the best thing to be awake, fully awake, awaken at midnight. Chalo. This is a alkyl halide with alcoholic KOH. It is going to form a Sidzef product, which is a most stable alkene. So this is also a beta carbon with hydrogen. This is also a beta carbon with hydrogen, but left one will give you a conjugated alkene, where you are having that conjugated alkene. Sir, option Bombay. So B is your right answer. Very less percentage. I hope it is clear to everybody now. Moving to the next question. Your time starts now. When 3,3-dimethyl-2-butanol is heated with H2SO4, the major product obtained is. This is dehydration of alcohol to produce corresponding alkene. So we have again revising complete NCRT as per the relevant questions. They are all PYQs. I'm again telling you, mains, advanced, NEET, but making you revise the logic with proper practice. So 3,3-dimethyl butanol. So but as in 4 carbon, 2-ol as in 2 is having OH. Then 3,3-dimethyl as in it is a branched. Now first H plus will be going and protonation will take place. Then OH will be removed and a carbocation will be formed. So the carbocation will be somewhat like this, but yes, Then methyl shifting will take place because it is always the rate determining step, the slowest step. So methyl shifting will stabilize this carbocation. This will be here, this will be introduced here, but plus will be here. And after that you will undergo dehydration. So this is also beta, this is also beta, but what beta will produce a stable alkene? So this beta will produce a stable alkene. So my answer will be 1 2 3 4, as in 2 3 dimethyl butene, as an option A will be your right answer. I hope it is clear. Eh? What about acha, in the chat people are giving answers. In the chat people are giving answers. But chalo, I hope it is clear to everybody. Good one, good one, good one, good one. In the chat section people are working fine. Attempt this one, guys. I hope you can crack this one. Give it a try. Give it a try. Give it a try. Give it a try. It will be done. Give it a try. Yeah, C. C, 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 C. Okay. So most of the people are saying C. So let me, acha, time is still left. So let us decode. Among the following compound which can dehydrate very easily, people are saying C. Why, sir? Because this will be 1 degree carbocation, this will be 2 degree carbocation, this will also be 2 degree carbocation, but this will be 3 degree carbocation. Yes, it can further rearrange, I agree, but if you are asked that which is faster reacting, then the carbocation which is more stable will be relatively formed easier. Yes, every carbocation can undergo rearrangement, but if the question is asking you which is more, then you should just see the first point of difference. So the 3 degree being the most stable will make C as your correct answer. Good, 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 good. The answer accuracy of our participants are increasing, so I'm happy. Good. Perfect, guys. Try and attempt this one. Now, this is vicinal dihalide. Vicinal dihalide, when reacts with zinc, heated zinc, so ZnBr2 is released and you produce an alkene. So an alkene is formed over here with ethyl branch over here and methyl branch over here. Now, after that you have to make it react with HBr. So first H plus will attack and a carbocation will be formed. But yes, here also carbocation will be 2 degree, here also 2 degree. But then now think of rearrangement. Why? Because now you are going to form the product. So this plus will rearrange here and this carbocation will be having 3 hyperconjugating hydrogens of methyl. If H pluses will be rearranging here, it will be having 2 hyperconjugating hydrogen because CH2, CH3. Therefore, what will be more stable? So 3 hyperconjugating hydrogens. So I'm introducing that carbocation here with methyl group having 3 hyperconjugating hydrogens. Yes, definitely it will further undergo rearrangement. So hydrogen here, carbocation here, and after that carbocation, what you will be introducing? This Br minus. So Br minus will be going here. So bromine and methyl on same side, bromine and methyl on same side, and then a ethyl branch. That means option D will be your right answer. I hope everybody is getting it, and oh, the percentage is less, but I hope everybody got this now. Guys. Perfect. Chalo, moving to the next one. Attempt the next question. Karan Yadav is saying doing silly mistakes. Nahi beta, it is not silly, Karan. Most of the students do this beta. Practice makes you perfect. And that is what we are trying to achieve over here. Practice and revision. and conceptual clarity as well. Chalo. Moving to this one. Okay. So let us see how many are answering it correctly. None. Okay. Let me read this question for you. Following alkenes will give optically active alcohol when treated with alcohol and H2SO4. So obviously you have to do it for everything, every alkene, but rather obviously alkene when undergoes hydration, a carbocation is formed. What carbocations are stable? So butanene will form what carbocation? 2-degree carbocation. So 2-ol. So that means, sir, butene once getting attacked by H plus will form a 2-degree carbocation, and this 2-degree carbocation will definitely receive the OH. And if this receives the OH, you will be getting this carbon as your chiral carbon. So it will give you an optically active product. So A will be your right answer. I hope everybody is with me on this. Moving to the next question. Now I'm not giving you a poll for this one because it is a integer type question. Obviously it is a question from JEE, so it is an integer type question, so not giving you options, but yes, obviously you can practice it. Let us attempt it together. Consider the below sequence of reaction. This much gram of 2-bromopentane. So 2-bromopentane is sub 5 carbon. If you 5 carbon as in 12 into 12 into 5, that is 60. Then pentane, so C5 H12, so 11 because 1 bromine, and 1 bromine as in 80. So 80, 60, 140, 50. This is 151 only. So number of moles is 1. So actually I have 1 mole of bromopentane. So it is made to react with major product. Okay, this is bromopentane. It is made to react with alcoholic KOH and P is formed, but the efficiency is 80%. So sir, 1 mole will form 1 mole if efficiency is 100%. So if it is 80%, how much of product is produced, sir? 0.8 moles. I hope everybody is with me. Sir, what does alcoholic KOH do? It will produce an alkene. What alkene, sir? Sir, this alkene, because this will be Sitzef product. Now, Br2 of this will produce what, sir? Sir, 5 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And where you have double bond, I will be introducing 2 bromine. So 1 bromine here, 1 bromine here. So we know the mass of this, so we just have to remove 1 hydrogen and add bromine. The question is saying, okay, its efficiency is 100%. So how many moles of this will be produced? 0.8 moles. So I know moles of the product produced. Now you have to give me its weight. So weight of this will be 0.8 moles into molecular mass. Just add 80 rupees and 1 hydro. So 1 hydrogen remove to 150. 150 plus 80 is 230 rupees. So 8 3 ja 24, 4 2 8 2 ja 16, 16, 184 grams will be your right answer. Good, guys? Guys, perfect. Answers, 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 answers. GSA, GSA, GSA. If it is clear, don't write clear. Write GSA. Grasp of all subtopics accurately. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, chalo. 1 GSA I got. I got 1. I am happy. I am not greedy. Happy with 1. Chalo. Attempt this one, guys. Time starts now. Attempt this one. Conjugated alkene close to benzene. 3 GSA. Perfect. 4 GSA. Perfect. Perfect. Chalo. Perfect. So conjugated alkene, sir, what is this? This is peroxide. What is this? Sir, this is peroxide. How peroxide, sir? Phenyl. Sir, C double bond O. Sir, O. And I have two of these. That means make it again. So this is peroxide. Sir, peroxide undergo homolysis. So after this, you get homolysis of this also. So you get a phenyl free radical. So this is free radical. So that is Kharash effect. Oh, more GSAs. This is Kharash effect beta. So what does Kharash effect is going to do? Sir, anti-Markovnikov. So first it will attack HBr and benzene will be, it will attack HBr and benzene will be separated and you will be getting bromine radical. This bromine radical will attack at this carbon. Why? Because this will be a resonance stabilized radical and it will take H from again one more molecule of HBr. So you will be getting a anti-Markovnikov added product. Now let us read the English, because NTA, JEE, NEET, they do not take your English examination separately. They check your English by asking English. So let us read that English. The reaction proceeds through more stable intermediate. Yes, this is definitely correct. The role of peroxide is to generate hydrogen radical is nowhere created. Go away. During this reaction, benzene is formed. Yes, sir, benzene is formed. I can see that. 1 bromo 2 phenyl is formed as, sir, it is major product. Right? Now, E is, sir, same reaction in absence of peroxide proceeds via carb. Acha, if peroxide is not there, HBr is an acid, then you'll get a carbocation, that is Markovnikov addition. So this is also correct. So ACE as in Delhi. Good, very good question, beta. Very good question, very good question. Eh? Zero? I hope everybody is clear now. I hope everybody is clear now. Hit me, GSA. Comment. Hit. I hope it is clear now. A good question. Rather, a very good question. Conceptually, a very sound question. And yes, you can expect such questions in your examination, but you have to we have to be very sound with your logics. Chalo, perfect. Perfecto. Chalo, moving to the next one. Attempt. Hey, you know what? Now I'm not even sleepy. I can go on. Can we start 12th organic as well? How many are with me? Let us finish 12th organic also. This is 11th. After hydrocarbon, 11th organic is done. Now we are left with just basic naming reaction of class 12. Class 12th organic is relatively easier, beta, if you know class 11 basics well. D. Sir, I'm zero in physical chemistry. What to do? Beta, Mr. Shreyas, when I was introduced in NEET channel, after I'm working in JEE NEET also, JEE channel also. If you can see those lives that I've started with physical. Physical is my forte. I'm an engineer. So physical chemistry, I have separated in two parts. Physical part 1, part 2. It is already there in the live section. Do that live and you will be done with physical chemistry. Don't worry. Chalo. Acha, Shweta is saying ready, sir. Good, beta. Yes. Chalo. Thank you, beta. Le. Okay. Chalo. Now, acha, poll has ended. So let us check. I guess, yeah, D is the answer. Very good, 80%. So again, a Kharash effect. So D will be your anti-Markovnikov product. Good one. I hope it is clear to everybody. Now, moving to the next one. Try this one. Try this one. Acha, Shreyas is saying, sir, I mean physics and chemistry both. Okay. I thought physical chemistry you are saying, beta. Beta, I can only, uh, when I gave my JEE examination, I read physics, chemistry, maths, all, but now chemistry you can obviously. Chalo. Sir, you are so sweet. You mentor us like a caring papa. Thank you. Thank you. Then, my dear son, my dear kid, my dear daughter, beta, please perform best in your examination. Please perform best. Please give everything. Just do not, whenever you are going to mark your answer now in the OMR, just hold for 3 seconds. Because holding for 3 seconds now will always make the silly mistakes right. So, thank you. Chalo. Students are answering option A. Yes, 40% as correct too, because this is also hydrogenation will give you alkane, but KMnO4, heated KMnO4, sir, heated KMnO4 is a classic example of giving oxidation to a double bonded carbon, because it is a strong oxidizing agent. What is the function of a strong oxidizing agent? Now we have moved to reaction of alkenes. So what is oxidation of alkene? You see the double bond, you break the double bond, you add double bond O, and whatever H it is having, replace it with OH. So ultimately this we are going to form. So this can also give you the upper product, but the lower product it can also give you. How, sir? Sir, you see the double bond, you break the double bond, you see the double bond, you break the double bond, you add double bond O and an H, a double bond O H. This carbon also double bond O and then OH. So you'll get oxalic acid, and this, that makes option A as your right answer. I hope everybody got it. I hope everybody got it. Perfect. I wanted to do engineering. My father wanted me to do doctor. Lol. My physics and my maths is good, and chemistry and bio was always weak. Now I'm good in physics and bio, but not that much in chemistry. Karan Yadav ji, read chemistry. Whatever I've taught, it will be helping you. Don't worry. Chalo. I hope people have got this question. Now, I'm not giving you time for this one, because again, this is an integer type question. The question says compound X absorbs 2 moles of hydrogen. That means it will be having 2 minimum alkenes. X on oxidation with KMnO4. That means again SOA, strong oxidizing agent. So SOA, strong oxidizing agent, will give you double bonded O and an OH. So these are my products. Now you have to tell me the number of sigma bonds present in the compound X. Acha, sir, then we have to think backwards. Yes, I have given you the forward thinking. Now let us move backward. How to move backward? The picture, see the double bond, break the double bond, add double bond O, replace H by OH. Do opposite thing. Sir, where you find OH? Here I find OH. Where you find OH? This is a longer compound, so let us take this one. Here I find OH. So turn this OH into H. Sir, this is CH3. Sir, this is C. Sir, this is CH2. C. This is also double bond O. This is also double bond O. But this OH I'm making as H, proceeding one step back. Now, what about this one? It may be attached here also, but we have to calculate, not the exact structure, just the sigma and pi bonds. So take these two compounds anywhere, because sigma and pi bond will remain the same. This is acetone. So CH3, let me make it beautifully. C double bond O, CH3. What about this one? Sir, CH3. C double bond O, and then sir OH. Sir, I will replace OH with H, because one step I'm moving. Okay, sir. Now you must have broken the double bond. How, sir? Sir, I have this, so I'll just bring them together. I have this, so I will just bring them together. So I have double bond here, see it as a double bond. Now you can obviously count the sigma and pi bonds. Now sigma and pi bond, I'm leaving it for your mathematical and your visual justification, you will be getting 27 as your answer. Moving to the next one. Try and answer this one. This is also an integer type question. So integer type, but you can answer this. This is a good question, by the way. This is also a good question. I am taking those. Sir, why chemistry is too tough? I am studying organic, but still confused how to remember. Beta, for that you have to revise. Nobody is Vivekananda in this point at this juncture of life, because urea is there in our fertilizers. We are having food. Urea getting into our head will obviously decrease the retention power of the brain. So nobody is Vivekananda over here that you read a book and you remember the complete book. So you have to revise again and again, beta. That will only help you. Sir, for organic, beta, more than enough. If you can see the level with which we are discussing, we have taken whole sequentially, we have taken complete organic of class 11 basics. Basics with, I mean, good questions as well. I have not written over here, but these are advanced questions that you are solving with me. Chalo. So I hope you have got the answer. Answer is 2 for this question. Okay, so it's a good question. No worries. Let me attempt it for you. Total number of chiral molecules formed when one molecule of P on ozonolysis gives now. Reductive ozonolysis, again, see the double bond, break the double bond, introduce double bond O, but the difference between strong oxidizing agent and reductive ozonolysis is you do not have to replace the double bonded O, that carbon you have, you do not have to replace the H with OH, because it is reductive ozonolysis. Rather, if you do oxidative ozonolysis, it is same as reaction with SOA, as in strong oxidizing agent. Yeah. So finally, sir, then we have to do it for everybody, huh? So sir, it is very easy. You have taught us how to do it. Break the double bond. This will be CH3 CH double bond O. I am not replacing this H, so this is my first compound. You have to chiral. Is it having any chiral carbon? No, sir. Now what about this part, sir? Now we'll make structure from this carbon. So this carbon having double bond O, I'm not writing H now. This carbon, then this carbon, then this is having a carbon and OH, then this carbon, then this carbon, then a double bonded O, because now I am breaking this also. So I've got this. Is it a chiral carbon, sir? This can be chiral, but here this and this are the same group. So because they are same branch, so this is also not chiral. Now let us work on this carbon. So plus and a plus. So I'm working on this carbon. So carbon, a double bond O, it will be getting from here. Then again, I'm having one carbon. Now this is chiral because it will be having CH3 and OH. After that, again a carbon. I've reached here, but I have to break this also. So this will be a double bonded O. Let us check. No, sir. This is chiral. Why? Because this is aldehyde and this is ketone. So this is my first chiral species. I've got one chiral species. After this, sir, where I have reached till here. Hai this was my chiral carbons. I've broken there. So CC2 OH carbon double bonded O. Nahin beta. See, this is a carbon. I have made a line till here, no? So this is my carbon getting a double bond O, a methyl branch. Then this carbon, it has got a double bond O, but it is also having a methyl beta. It is also having a methyl. So this is also ketone, this is also ketone. I beg your pardon. Yes, you have to do it structurally. This is a JEE advanced question, beta. Obviously, you can see that by yourself. But yes, it will help you to revise ozonolysis very perfectly. So take out your pen and copy, and this is all drawing. So I am also drawing. So I guess we have drawn till here. So we have broken this and we have formed this. After this, we have to start from here. Chalo. So plus, this is one carbon. So one carbon will be having double bond O from this side. Again, a carbon with a methyl and OH. Here, again a carbon, a methyl, and a double bond O. I have reached to this carbon. I have reached till this. Now let us check. So this is aldehyde and that is ketone. So this is now my chiral carbon. Finally, I have got one chiral carbon. Now, where have I reached? Sir, you have drawn till here, so you have to start drawing from here. Okay, so let us draw from here. So plus, so this carbon, connected carbon, a double bonded O. After this double bonded O, I have this carbon, sir, methyl, sir, OH, and then I'll be moving here, having one carbon at the top, and again a double bonded O. So this is also gone. Now, what about this one? Sir, this is 2 carbon, this is also 2 carbon, double bond O, double bond O. So this is also not chiral, and that is again aldehyde. So I guess I have got only one chiral carbon. I have got only one chiral carbon. Nahin beta, this was chiral only. See na, this is C double bonded O with a methyl group. This is C double bonded O with aldehyde. So this was also chiral. So this is chiral and that one is chiral, as in this one is chiral. So 2. Yes, I have drawn the structure not very beautifully. Obviously, I'm an engineer, so all those doctors, friends of mine out there, you must have drawn it properly. Future doctors. So, this is a question to draw perfectly, and that's obviously you can see this is my one chiral carbon and that is my another chiral carbon. So I have two chiral carbons with me. That makes your answer as 2. But yes, a very sound question to practice ozonolysis. And we are here to practice. Yes, it was a advanced question, sir. We are going to attempt mains question. But beta, I mean, practicing concept requires good question. No? If you are supposed to run 100-meter race, then daily you practice just 100 meters or more. So that is what I'm trying to do over here. Hai Chalo. Attempt this one, guys. I have already started the timer. Alkene X on ozonolysis followed by reduction gives following compounds. So 2 moles of this, and this. Now this is a mains question. You can attempt it. The alkene X is. Obviously, I'm getting 2 moles of this. D. Karan is saying D. Yadav is saying D. Perfect. So I hope time is gone. Yes. Because we are saying D. Ankita is a silent performer. Chalo beta. So because people are saying D, so let us do quickly. This is one CH2OH, I guess. CH2 double. So this is one aldehyde. This is another formaldehyde. CH double bond O. So 2 moles of aldehyde I've got this side and this side. Now this will also be broken and this will also be broken. So this is 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon. All carbons are having double bond. So 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon. All carbon are having double bond. So this is also done. Now let me change the pen for you so that you can draw it beautifully. Sir, 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon with double bond, but there will be 2 methyl group also. So there will be 5 carbon chain. Sir, 5 carbon chain, 2, 3, 4 are having double bond. So obviously D is your beautifully right answer. Done? A good question. Now, this is actually a question from JEE 2026. In the April attempt, they have asked this question. Chalo. So moving to the next one, guys. Attempt. Time starts now. Okay, let me keep it here only. Chalo, attempt this one, guys. Quick. 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 D. Okay, people are answering for the previous question or what? Karan Yadav, yeah. Mishra ji, yes. Lucy Parker, yes. So I hope people are have answering B. So answer is maybe B. Let us check. Yeah. Shweta. Now, sir, preparation. Sir, that means we have reached to alkynes. This is preparation of alkynes. Sir, aluminium carbide on hydrolysis produces methane. Sir, magnesium carbide on hydrolysis produces propane. Sir, boron carbide. Boron carbide. It produces hydrogen gas, I guess. Calcium carbide is your classic example which produces alkyne. What alkyne? 2 carbon alkyne, ethine. So obviously your answer will be Bombay. A very important question for you for your NEET examination. Please make note of this. Attempt the next one. Sir, we already know vicinal and geminal dihalide first reacts with 1 mole of NaNH2. It can also react with 1 mole of alcoholic KOH. But the second step requires a stronger base, which is NaNH2, and this will produce a terminal alkyne. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon terminal alkyne as in butane will as in but 1 ine will be produced. It is further reacted with NaNH2. So with further reaction with NaNH2, because it is having acidic hydrogen, so it will release ammonia and will form the corresponding alkynide. And this alkynide will act as a nucleophile. And this nucleophile will do, we have entered alkyl halides also. This will do SN reaction. This will do SN2 reaction. So this isopropyl group will be substituted with this. So what you will be getting? Sir, isopropyl group having that alkyne. So let me draw the photo for you then. 4 carbons. Fourth carbon is a double bonded carbon. It is getting added to this carbon, which is having 2 methyl branches. Let us do the naming. Sir, 1, 2, 3. Sir, 1, 2, 3. Here I have a branch. So this will be my 6 carbon alkyne with 2 in the as a branch. So 2 methyl hex 3 ine. Option A will be your right answer. Huh? 0? I hope you got it now. Hit the comment section. GSA. Let me beta. This is 230R. Let me have that confidence. 0 I don't want. I hope it is clear now. Yes. Yadav ji. Perfect. Chamka. Chalo, good. Moving to the next one. Next question is this. Try and attempt this one, guys. Let's see whether this is shining in your head or not. GSA. Perfect, Robin. Perfect. GSA. Grasp of subtopic accurately. GSA. Perfect. Chalo, thank you. We are making this experience awesome, beta. Thank you. Chalo. Moving to the next question. The question says, I have a terminal alkyne reacting with sodium. Sir, terminal alkyne react with sodium will form the corresponding salt. Hydrogen gas released. So A will be the salt. This is a salt. This is not a salt. This is not a salt. This is a salt. So A or D can be your answer. Now it reacts with B to form, obviously, okay, this is my alkyne, but this alkyne will be getting attached to this propyl. So it should be a alkyl halide. So 3 carbon halide. This is a 3 carbon halide. This is not this is alkane. It will obviously react with alkyl halide. So A will be your answer. A will be your answer. 0. I hope you got the answer. Acha, students are answering in the comment section. Beta, you are not getting this poll. Matlab, initially I was not comfortable with this poll, but now I am. But now why you are not getting this poll? I'll be talking to my tech team. Else beta, download iLens. You will be getting the access of the poll also and those benefits also. Perfect, perfect. Because in the comment section, students are answering. That I can see. Chalo. Moving to the next question, guys. Attempt this one. Attempt this one. हाँ. Okay, Robin is saying, sir, poll नहीं आ रहा है. हाँ बेटा, I can feel that. Because in the comment section, many students are answering, but I'm not getting that response in the here in the polls. It's okay, it's okay. Download pylons, no? That's what I'm saying. What is wrong? Chalo. I hope you have got the answer. Acha, time is still left, so let us solve it. Again, beta, English has to be checked. Sir, butene reacting with hydrogen, sir, with PD/C, it will form a cis isomer. Linda's catalyst. Which reduction will give you a transform of alkene. So let us check now. X and Y are stereoisomers. X and yes, X and Y are okay. Okay, beta. Such questions make you lose 1 mark for sure. You know what it is asking? It is asking which of the statements are incorrect. That this is correct. So not an answer because cis trans are stereoisomers. Now, dipole moment of X is 0. X is a cis isomer. Cis isomer has got a net dipole moment. So this is incorrect and therefore an answer. But we have to check more because options are there. Boiling point of X is higher. Sir, cis is having more dipole moment. More dipole moment, so more polarity, so more dipole attraction, so more boiling point. Boiling point of X is higher. So this is also correct because it is correct, so not an answer. X and Y react with ozone to give different product. No, sir. Ultimately, if you are going to break the double bond, doesn't matter if you are cis or trans, you are going to form the same ozonolized product. So this is incorrect, so that definitely an answer. So B and D are incorrect, therefore it is an answer. So a very tricky one, I would rather say. Let us check how many have passed this trick. 50%. Adarsh and Shweta. Shweta has been answering accurately a lot of questions I have seen. Shweta PK. Shweta, proud of you, beta. Attempt this one, guys. Keep performing. Attempt this one, guys. I'm sorry, huh? All those students who are not getting that poll, I am equally proud of everybody. Anjali, Lucy Parker, Aisha. That's it. That's it. None of the other students. Disha is saying C. No, Disha. I hope Disha it is good now. Okay, chalo. Rityanan Ghosh. Perfect beta. Proud of you. Karan Yadav, obviously proud of you. Anjali. Acha, you have to. Acha, you are answering for this one. Okay, let us check. Maybe B is answer for this one too. Let us check. Very good. Yes, beta. So this is again, I hope you have cracked this. Sir, PD/C will form cisalkene. Then ozonolysis will give you B and D. You can obviously get the product, which is definitely option B. Good. So once you are through with the logic, see, you are able to crack the answer. The only point is you have to remember the logic. See, in the previous question, I've given you the logic, and now everybody is giving the right answer. So you just have to revise and be sure of the conceptual understanding. Then everybody can answer. Yeah, that's why revision is required. Perfect. Disha, Vedant, Disha, Bhavna. Good. Okay, chat off tha. Comment here for Sir ki mehnat. Okay, beta. nahi beta, you are awake, you are commenting, so you should be proud of yourself that you are working. Thank you. Chalo, chalo. Moving forward. Okay, the time is just, so let me see how many of the students are attempting it correctly. No, the percentage is less. So let me solve this. Sir, okay. Sir, this is soda lime decarboxylation. So CO2 will be gone and I will be getting ethane as A. Sir, Cl2 and H nu will do allylic not allylic free radical substitution. So I'll get a chlorine. Alcoholic KOH will turn this alkyl halide into alkene. So Br2 will do formation of vicinal dihalide. Sir, alcoholic KOH followed by stronger base will form the corresponding alkyne. So answer is alkyne, option C. Hello. Now in the comment section people are answering perfectly. Good, good, good. Good guys, good. Maybe I'm giving you less time. I'm giving you 30 seconds. That also I understand. I'm giving you 30 seconds because obviously 1 minute is, but wait up. We are here to save time also, na. Chalo. So moving to this one. 30 seconds to you. Attempt. 30 seconds to you. Attempt. Sir, sigma are here during this time. Sigmas, okay. Okay, good, good, good. Chalo. Good. Good participation we are having. Good. Chalo. Now, you have to predict the product C formed in the following reaction when but1-ine, which is this, react with HCl. Sir, with HCl, Markovnikov addition, because carbocation will be first formed here. So I'll be getting Cl over here. So let me form that Cl. So I will be forming CH2 and Cl over here. So this will be vinylic halide. Now, if this is further reacted with Hi, so first H plus will go and again a carbocation will be formed. Now you tell me what will be the stable carbocation over here. Sir, it will be this carbocation. Why? Sir, because chlorine will also have this resonance stabilization, back bonding. So this resonance stabilization will make this carbocation more stable and hence the next molecule of halogen will be entering this carbon. So you will be having chlorine and iodine on the same carbon. That means chlorine and iodine on the same carbon. That means option C is your right answer. Let us check. Good. See, if you are provided with the logic, na beta, everybody can perform. The only thing is you have to be sound enough conceptually. Good beta. Now you already have that concept that in an alkyne, where the first attacking species has attached the negative part, the second will also go there. So if I have water, the first OH has gone on that side, another also will go. So one carbon having two OH will undergo dehydration and form the corresponding carbonyl group. So I will be having a carbonyl group at this carbon, at the middle carbon. So A will be acetone. So A will be acetone. Now, it is saying after isomerization, it is forming acetone. That means it is talking of the step-by-step analysis. So what is the first step, sir? Sir, CH3, C, OH, double bond, CH2. But now, sir, I do not even require the another molecule. Why? Because this is enol form, an unstable form. So it will rather tautomerize itself. That is isomerization. So what is isomerization? Tautomerization. So H will come here, double bond will come here, and then you will be getting your ketone. So what is this IUPAC name, beta? Because question is asking IUPAC of A. Sir, 1, 2, 3. So this is prop 1 in 2 all. Prop 1 in 2 all, as an option D is your right answer. Very good. See, percentage has increased. Now this was conceptually a good question, but still, if you know the basics well, you are there. Everybody can give the answer. Chalo. Moving to this one. Your time starts now. Quick, 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 quick. Enol to keto. Yes. Yes. Which one of the following carbonyl compound cannot be prepared by addition of water on an alkyne in the presence of heat? Okay, which cannot form. So, sir, you tell me, uh, if I have an alkyne, then it will always be in the middle position, not at the terminal position, because ultimately carbocation will be stable in the middle position. So if I am getting a terminal product, for example, if you are getting this, then you should be having alkyne this. So you tell me, OH will come here or here? So here, so it will form ketone. So how come you are getting an aldehyde? I cannot get an aldehyde, and the question is asking us which cannot be prepared. So obviously A is my answer. I hope everybody is clear with this. I hope everybody is clear with this. Nah, percentage is less. People. Acha. In the comment section, people are right. Here, people are not right. Chalo. But Arya Mishra is right. So Mishra ji, proud of you. Chalo. Moving to the next one. Attempt. Now, this is the same question. Calcium carbide will give you alkyne. Red hot Fe tube. Now, this is polymerization. What polymerization? Cyclic polymerization. Aha. Lucy Parker is already giving GSA. That means it is clear to you. Perfect, beta. So, sir, this is red hot Fe tube at elevated temperature will do cyclic polymerization of alkyne, and you will be getting benzene. So, B is nothing but benzene. So, C is your right answer. C is your right answer. Now we have, acha, the poll hasn't stopped. No worries. C, perfect, perfect. I can't give you less than 30 seconds because it is 30 seconds. Chalo, C. Let me check. C. Good. After discussion, everybody is right. Good. 100%. Next one. 100%. That 100% actually filled me with happiness. Good. Great. Chalo. Moving to the next one, guys. Which one of the following reagent will be able to distinguish between but1 and but2? And actually, but1 reacts with Tollens reagent also, white PPT. Fellings reagent also, red PPT. Terminal alkynes because acidic hydrogen. But it can also react. It can also react with soda amide. Why? Terminal alkyne. Ammonia gas will be released, so you will be getting that pungent smell. So that will also be a test. So this is rather not very famous, but yes, NTA can trick you. Students are answering correctly also. So perfect. Perfecto. This I haven't expected 100%. I'm super happy, beta. Proud of you. Proud of everybody. Great. Attempt this one. Which is the most suitable reagent to distinguish? Okay, you have to distinguish 3 from the rest. What is third? Okay, third is a terminal alkyne. So same question, beta, same logic. Bromine in CCl4? No, because sir, it will form tetrabromo derivative. But how can you distinguish? Because everybody will react with bromine and undergo that decolorization. Bromine water will decolorize, but sir, with all it can decolorize. So how it is distinguished? No bromine water. Alkaline cheminophore also, it will make oxidation of all unsaturated compounds. So how it can be distinguished? Sir, ammonicals, sir, Tollens reagent. Yes, it will not produce silver mirror. It will create white PPT. That you have to remember. Terminal alkyne forms salt with silver will form a white precipitate, not silver mirror. Okay, because silver mirror is Tollens reagent with aldehydes. Anna, that you have to keep in your mind. So let us see. 60%. Fair enough. Decent enough. Next one, attempt quick. We are just closing, beta. Just closing. About to close. We are into our last questions. Bus, last questions. Robin, just hold on for a few more questions. I guess 10 more minutes. That's it. Yeah, so this is the same. Now, again, preparation of phenol with zinc dust forms zinc oxide and benzene is produced. So, classic answer is benzene. By the time, yeah, perfect. By the time people attempt the next one, because here poll is going to end. Attempt this one. I don't know what was the answer. Chalo. Chalo. This one. Logical one. Pay attention. For given molecule X, the preferred site for attack of electrophile. Now, conceptually sound question now, because we have moved to aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds as in benzene related theory. Very important for examination. So this is my X and a electrophile. Sir, we know benzene is electron rich. An electron donating group will enhance the attack of electrophile. Electron donating group will decrease, will largely deactivate the ring for that electrophilic substitution. है ना? So sir, this is C double bond O as in this is a highly electron withdrawing group. Sir, this is NH2, so this is plus R. That means it is electron donating group. So this ring will be highly deactivated and this side it will be activated. So it will be having electron density at ortho and para position, but because ortho will be sterically hindered, so most preferable position will be para, that is U. That means answer will be Delhi. A very conceptually sound question, beta. Very good, very good. Perfect, perfecto. Moving to the next one. Attempt this one, guys. The correct order of reactivity in electrophilic substitution reaction of the following compounds. These are the compounds. I've already told you the logic. Sir, this is minus R, minus I also. Sir, this is, although this is plus R, but because the 3p 2p overlap will take place, so their plus R is very small, and in fact its minus I is huge. Generally resonance is stronger, but for them it is weak because the pi bond that is formed, it is between dissimilar energized orbital. Therefore resonance in this particular case of halogens are in less effective. Therefore it is also electron withdrawing. Yes sir, this is plus R, it will hugely activate the ring, and this is normal. They are bad. So B should be most reactive. After that I'll be having A. So option Delhi will be your right answer. I hope everybody is clear. Yeah, most of them are Ankan Biswan and Mishra ji. They are correct. Moving to Acha, I have few more questions yaar. I have few more questions. Chalo. Moving to the next one. Attempt this one, guys. Attempt this one. Got confused by chlorine. No worries. No worries. No worries. Now I'm with my last bit of coffee. GSA. Oh, great, Lucy. Chalo. I hope you have got your answer. Acha, poll has not ended. Chalo. C8H10. As you can see the structure, this is 6 carbon, so one will be ethyl group. C8H10 with nitric acid. Sir, then obviously If this benzene is having a ethyl group, so it will be having plus hyperconjugation. So at ortho and para position, para will be least hindered. So this ethyl will be getting a NO2 at the para position. This is nitration. Now, bromine with sunlight, so that this will do allylic substitution. So allylic substitution, because sunlight is there, so free radical will be formed. So this CH will be receiving the allylic substitution, and post alcoholic KOH, this bromine and this H will be gone and a double bond will be created. So NO2 at para position and an alkene. Bombay is your right answer. Bombay is your right answer. Less, but I hope conceptually it is clear to everybody. Moving to the next question, it is a multiple correct, so I'm not giving you option. This is a theoretical question, so let us do it. Perfect, perfect. Karan, Ramesh, good. An electrophilic substitution reaction, the presence of halogen atom in benzene rings. The presence of halogen atom. Presence of halogen atom. Now this is a multiple correct, so I'm not giving you pole. Presence of halogen atom. You have already told us, sir, it is plus R but minus I, and plus R is weak, so ultimately it is minus I. Minus I is electron withdrawing, so ultimately it is deactivating by inductive. This is correct. Deactivate the ring by resonance. No, sir, resonance is plus R, but it is lesser operational. So this is B is wrong. Increase the charge density at ortho para position relative to meta position. Yes, although resonance is weak, but relatively with respect to meta at ortho para, although amount of magnitude of negative will be less, but it is more with respect to meta, na. So this is right. Theoretically, it is a very sound question. Directs the incoming electrophile to meta position. No, sir, it will direct at ortho and para. Yes, electrophile will not be very happy. Overall it is deactivating, but if at all it is coming, it will be the directive influence will be ortho and para. So this is also incorrect. So answer is A and C. I hope it is clear to everybody. Yeah, perfect, perfect. Lucy, perfect. God, perfect. Mishra, Karan, want, Vinay, perfect. Everybody are. I mean, in comment section, students are answering like anything. Good, beta, good, very good. Attempt this one. Which of the following species participate in sulfonation of benzene? Now this is actually a very logical question. What is sulfonation? Beta, mixture of H2 S2O7, which is oleum, which is actually H2SO4 plus SO3. So actually who behaves as an electrophile? SO3. Sir, why? Because beta sulfur is having +6 oxidation state. The 3 oxygen atom is are removing electrons so vigorously that this is your actual electrophile that initiates the reaction. So conceptually a very sound question. So your answer will be Bombay. I hope you have cracked this one. Less percentage, but I hope now it will be there in your head for quite a long period of time, at least till the D day of your examination. Attempting the next one. For the reaction Friedel-Crafts, which of the following statement are correct? Okay, so chlorine will be gone, so a carbocation will be produced, but this will be less stable, so rather rearrangement will take place and a carbocation will come here. And now alkyl benzene. What alkyl benzenes are famous? Cumene will be formed. Cumene, which is also used for production of phenol. Cumene is your famous isopropyl benzene. Yes. So now the question is not done. Now you have to read theory. Major, now you have to say select correct statement. Major product is, and no sir, isopropyl. So this is wrong. Isopropyl carbocation intermediate is generated. Yes sir. Multiple substitution is inevitable. Why? Whenever you have Friedel-Crafts anhydrous AlCl3, it can produce the electrophile again and again. Therefore, yes, multiple times the substitution can take place. So this is also correct. Not a very famous point, but I hope I'm making you. Anhydrous AlCl3 is there. alkyl chloride will be there. So they will further produce electrophile, and at end of the day you are still having this electron rich benzene ring. So further substitution can also take place. So yes, major product will be this, but further substitution is inevitable. You can't stop that. So therefore percentage product will be lesser. Now, so B and C are correct. Introducing electron donating substituent on benzene will not produce any alkyl benzene. Electron donating, if you introduce electron donating, benzene will be more actively attacking. So it is saying that if you introduce electron donating, it will not produce. It is absolutely incorrect. It will produce to a larger extent. So B and C, that means option Bombay is your right answer. Let us see. Less percentage, but still I hope conceptually it was a good question. I hope it is clear now to most of the students. Attempt this one, guys. Again, now they are theoretical question, beta. Good questions. Good question. They are theoretical questions. Good questions. PYQs. So please give me few more minutes. Benzene is nitrated to give nitrobenzene. Okay. Which on further treatment with acid chloride and anhydrous, sir, nitrobenzene NO2 group is highly minus I. It withdraws electrons so much that no electrophile wants to attack. Therefore, it will not be produced because nitro, an NCRT fact, nitrobenzene do not undergo Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation because NO2 is highly electron withdrawing. So this is false. NO2 group is meta-directing, yes, and deactivating, yes. This is true. So option Delhi, beta. Option Delhi. 0%? Acha, the option maybe is not visible to you or what? Statement 1 is correct, 2 is incorrect. Okay. Maybe the option is not visible to you, that's why. I hope conceptually it is clear to you. Now, not giving time for this because this is multiple correct. Benzene with chlorobenzene, anhydrous AlCl3, sir, this will not break because this is resonance stabilized. I need alkyl halide, so this will not give you product. With chlorine and anhydrous AlCl3, because it is dark, so excessive will take place, but substitution, not addition. So yes, I'll be getting this. This is per chloro. This is per chlorobenzene. Yes, if it is sunlight, it will be benzene hexachloride. Addition reaction will be taking place. Very famous reaction. So this is correct. No, sir. This is also in resonance. So this will also not break. So this is also incorrect. This will easily break because this carbocation is in fact resonance stabilized. So it will be eagerly wanting to be getting substituted. So this can take place. So Bombay and Delhi. Bombay and Delhi is your right answer. Yeah. Mishra ji, perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Good, good one. Moving to last two questions, beta. Last two questions, beta. Last two questions, beta. Acha. Okay, option were there. Nahi, not last two question, beta. This is last question. This is last question. Last question. Thank you from everyone for giving your best, sir. Thank you, beta. Thank you. I loved the, yes, I usually teach in the JE vertical, but yes, I've been teaching since 2012. So mentored loads of NEET aspirants as well. But yes, I felt great with you. So thank you and all the very best. So let us finish this last question. I hope you have got your answer, which is definitely B for this particular case. 100%. My dear students, my dear NEET warriors, you are outperforming. The last question you have given 100%. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Both statements are definitely correct because boiling point, sir, normal pentane, more surface area, so it will be having highest boiling point. And statement 2 is even saying the logic that if you have branch, then molecule gets sphered up, and therefore surface area reduces, hence boiling point also change. So I hope everybody is done with today's live. I enjoyed it. I hope you did too. You have been very good audience. I wish you all the best. We'll be meeting tomorrow as well in the afternoon, where we'll be pitching the most repeated questions, the replica of NEET examination. So join us tomorrow as well in the afternoon. This is good night and goodbye from me, Gaurav Singh Arora. Bye bye. Good night. Best of luck. Keep working, guys. Acha, leaderboard, leave it. Acha, I'm sorry. Hey, just a second. Leaderboard. Daban, topper, Ankita, Shweta. Perfect, beta. 43 out of 21. Fourth is Shivani, then Rushikesh, then Arya Mishra, then Krishna Verma, then Aman Saif, then Dr. Acha, one doctor also I have, Mr. Dr. Biswas, and then Adarsh Kumar. So this is it from my side, guys. Bye bye. Okay, GSA. Okay, good. Bye bye.